program ni bi na mpo no nkomo twetwe a ye betwe no ofie yi na wo so aba beka ho bi woni a ya to yensa from woni a ye no be kasa e wo tetefo so no sa nkrofo de giraro obehu o mo mfonyin e wo eye Facebook no so bomoden sesi a na hwehwe page no eye SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra SOMPA 106.5 from Accra. Like our page, subscribe to the page. You have the voice, you have a prompt to show you say, other side. They may catch you, say our Facebook page is active and it's also very, very interactive. Remember once again, it's SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. And also know, say, Forgotten Country, it's also live on YouTube. And you call YouTuber. Also Jumedi and also betimi ahwe ewo ho uko YouTube abusia SOMPA 106.5 FM live SOMPA 106.5 FM live. So you also have the opportunity say Jumedi ekoso ha for God and country no also beje bre no wetie mu nsem na nkomo no po obi a opeso ka me patcho ko Facebook page and also YouTube page da obetimi ene yen edi nkomo ewo ho infonyinga hodo a ekoso ewo yemamu ha some of the skates are yem pinning for who Daddy Lumba you are say in somewhere call so 1 year call ho you be trying for yin no at the Facebook ni YouTube no so as soon as name ye guarantee say onimunyam for kwabna Japan menim say ye nyina be kaye bre betwe mo no na anka opeso him frankama NPP amanyoku no bado entimi ensiaga ba be no ka say this time around no so no ade a na wie ya otu na nim tu say ade a 2028 elections here ba be koso prior to the 2028 elections so nyina nim say NPP for omo de aba betu dwa say nyame adomo a December 31st 2026 ade a omo party no Frank Tuni and no na onimnyam for kwabra Japan na wie a yenya ntie se o tenase no watu nanum tuo se dwumadi no bato dibre no ono so ko prebi se de be a ono so be him Franka ama the new patriotic party. So NPP to acclaim Akwetia by elections PC tomorrow. The opposition New Patriotic Party is poised to acclaim Solomon Kwame Esimedu as its parliamentary candidate for the upcoming Akwetia by-election scheduled for September 2025. But I'd wanted to relate this particular story of the presidential primaries. Because on the 31st of January 2026, that person be relating to that particular story. But yes, indeed, it's just going to be happening live. So, Bobia Obiano, Bomoding, na Kai say, for God and country, no Yasha, Siadasa, na Medica, there are two menum say, the new patriotic party, minimum Kase crowd, Sabri, Omobie, Aquinian say, Obibia or per se. O him Franka Ediba Amanyokuno Aquiniano ho every Sabre akose obeba na wababe peke nomination forms. Now obviously forms say kwako fa forms na forms no bono 100,000 Ghana cedis. 100,000 Ghana cedis. We patrol forms no bono 100,000 Ghana cedis. Like I say, Ubabe file so 500,000 Ghana cedis. Ni na ukaboma 600,000 Ghana cedis. Me pacho million no ensia. Tim pacho. So why I read this say MPP Amanyoku no ube him Franka ma omo come December 2028 general elections and they also bombarding Sabrea na bombarding na o start say wo pe usika but osa enkomoi anankrai idea the general secretary of the new patriotic party right Justin Kodia Frimpon ena wodi ababetu dwa wodi kire say Sabre de akwenyan no eda ho. But he also said according to the announcement guidelines the NPP presidential primaries are slated to be held on Saturday. Don't say no media to Jada 31st of January 2026. And to Madam Okase, so you be a MPP ni mapa na wo gide wo mu say wo so betime him Franka e de ama amanyokona. This is the time for you to act now. combined cost no 600,000 Ghana cedis both for nomination and filing. And Timpacho we ni nkomo the General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party the Ababetuja. And then going forward akwatia by elections we number ka many onimunyamfo bi edi nkomo ofidiem ha say onimunyamfo no amanfo so say ana say oni owura Brian Champon obi a ono so person him Frankama MPP no na ekoba but only to just say anka kweti anka be ya ka MPP for edi amasei ebaya anka ade a ebebu amanyoko de pa but the party no ekọ okukuo mu no de omko ya ne say debi amasei ne cry de ne ba enya ade a ebeboa ne senti no ade a party no through the Eastern Regional MPP chairman ora Jeff Kunedru edi to just say abrante bia sabre party no edi no esie yie no sa abrante no na eba ba yeden ebe him Franka no edi ama MPP amanyoko no na mpacho sa edi no nipa ne din no your friend Solomon Kwame Esumedu wono na sese MPP amanyoko no edi ne ba begina no wa him Franka edi ama MPP amanyoko no ewa akwetia by elections na on the parliamentary you know mpacho ono no oba ama say nsam na ye kan ro ha ne de ankosi aga nti we ni nsam bia ende bebo modern ne ewremu na wi our for God and country dwumadie no so minority threatens legal action over ages withdrawal of Unibank case. Well, say Unibank, somewhere 6 years ago, year 2018, idea one more day Unibank for Ecogena Libya and the Sentino bank, no, Omuguno, ebe consolidated. Now, and which you know, and I wonder on Kojina a year as some Libya say idea one about on my Munuka. Now, Sansam we betu Jano, idea a year and this Aman so, or maybe idea the moon who say. Some way crab to Jano. Attorney General say, Ankabeya, Ankayambo modding, Ankabeya, Ankayambo modding, na yankoho, na yankonko Jessica ansa. Scan of Ghost Cano Yajia, and no crab ye better than as a ra, Quabana do four, any pension be a one camono, yet you would call Aquaco General Libya. Now, as some way, minority. Say omude montiasie ba mo say assembly there omude beko assembly bia akwa pe enchirebu. And again there another story here say CD no apeke CD no apeke anasa but Abochi get the dollar. Yes, me am why me na my me cra dollar no the CD no apeke but Abochi get the dollar. And yes, this is not pick but uko jama say open CD nkankan uko forex bureaus now call a banker who do also call CD na enya there unsa beka CD no but omo minority ni there o maji atum say CD na pick but CD ni there so open baby a wo benya dollar top ha there just say uko Abochi for ne nchen ho na akwa ade a wo benya dollar ni bi but na uko banks na enya de a wo benya dollar ni bi ntin komo we susu no di ehi enawie was SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country na hye nsubio say dwumadie ade a time herbal mixture womo aso asene kese pa time herbal mixture busia malaria draw fever draw tatahwe no as and when the program unfolds no ade a me de ho komo ebedan wo na saka bi say Lexter Company Limited ewie pa womo so maso asene kese pa kofa by Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush womo eno mo de ba dwaman tum pato so na no pa na nwumre na obetwetwe usia we ni aposen any brush a ebetimi agye wo pa na saka bi say na wi Techno Spark 40 series. Hey, folk kono phone way. The screen tight. The screen is solid. A ball crying paisa. Phone be a ball on the screen the crowd pa. Then but Techno Spark 40 series the bushia. So bomoding pan out toby. Now pon the screen the pie screen the ball at that form so kutokum. Nasaka so a slimmer, stronger, and sparks everywhere. Remember cell phone a tune show my before idea. Electroland Ghana Limited almost so as a kese pa. But a kukushaku na electronics jimbe apply or bomoding pa na Electroland Ghana Limited. Na TV jinele, na air condition jimbe, then the share jinela bole yaje no bana electronics papa bombarding para ko na ko pe electronics I come apa na saka bi o say medima for herbal center Dr. Time da so oi Dr. Obinfo pa nie yare kwankro yare awako ache chese waya ne man sheda mfa ma wa bombarding pa medima for herbal center o bombarding na ko hwehwera me pa cho ya de a obesa o ya de no so meka ho nsam akere live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Ebusia, when you make a one so asana, and away, yet for God and country, Jumadino, Brewo. But there is one disturbing thing I just want to talk about. The spate of road accidents on our road. It is very, very, very disturbing. Very, 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 very disturbing. Very, 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 very disturbing. In the first half of year 2025, Lori Aquincia, Dudua, a see what ye memuharo, anu or dang. Accident Dudua, a see for the first 6 months for year 2025, 7,289 road accidents. 7,289 road accidents from January to June, July more. So we are asking, Yakwan, so what is happening? You know, driver for Subai Ben Sano Mudani Di Acharayin. Because I had a harding. Me or China, me nam quano so. Adebache also nam quano so. Won't mean can't tell me, say, would ye? Fashion, fire Yakwan Timpoa who does wound to quine. As some way, I had a yen papa. Now, out of the 7,289 road accidents, you know. Ye bisa say nipa dodo sen na ehwere wo monkwa for the first half of year 2025 nipa 1,504 mene wo kasai na ahwere wo monkwa 1,504 HIV cry kum nipa say na hwe wo mo a wo madi dem ana wo mapra as a result of the accidents on our road 8,364 injuries. What could be happening? I'm asking a question. What could be happening? Look at the fatalities on our road. Nipa 1,504. Accra 1,504. Nipa duduaya omuwu ya kwantimpon so within the first half of year 2025. And Obi betimi aba be president o. Obi betimi aba be finance minister o. Obi betimi aba be opinion pa bi a obeboa o. E bia na doctor bi wo mo, teacher ni bi wo mo. A kwan ben so ne yebefa so a road accident yebe bra no ase. And quickly let me walk you through the figures. This one where they may bra so nyame adom I'll be doing a full presentation on this. Accidents makachira mu total no 7,289 road accidents. Tieni you. Na cars dudu a involved in this accident, you know. A whopping 12,554. Ghana, first 6 months in year 2025. Car dudu enya kwenshia 12,354, which is very, very disturbing. I've already told you, say, one no omoshire womunkwa ewo sa accident mu nyina 1,504. Medical catch say 1 year prior no 8,364. Na adibakwa hamikese se Ghana ha se unam yakwan enchen ana utware kwan mu patro car betimi abo eno ne ye frani pedestrian knockdowns wo mo nam kwan chen a cars abo mo wo mo tware kwan mu a car abo mo wo mo ton ade e wo kwan chen a car akologo mo woman to do 1,300 pedestrian knockdowns. Woman nam car kwan chen. Woman tware kwan mu a car bobo. 1,301. Now we are asking, why all this? Is it because of the fact that you na driver for woman kashen awo ya kwantempo ahudu so no nimdia e di kashen no womu ni mana ana yebetina kana say nimdeɛ na yɛde kaka wɔ ya kwantempɔn so ɔmo nim enso ɔmo bu ɔmo ni egu so na sɛ bi mpreduasa ne yɛ bɔne a wɔn yɛ ɔkwan so ɛna wɔn yɛ ana na maame nka nkyerɛ every day ɛwɔ Ghana ha nipa dodo ɔmo wu through accident de biara da sɛ nde amene okasa yi nipa enwɔtwe ewu every day mene mo ka sɛ every day de biara da no nipa dodo a ewu ɛwɔ yakwantempɔn no so no ɛyɛ 8 enwɔtwe ɛnti no enwɔtwe no times ɛyɛ 1 week ɛyɛ sɛn ɛnti ne kyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ na wɔtwe bia no nipa 42 ɛna ɛhwere ɔmo nkwan ne kyɛ sɛ ɛwɔ na wɔtwe bia no nipa 42 ɛna ɛhwere ɔmo nkwan na for times ɛyɛ bosomi 30 until it shows that every month bia no ɛyɛ ade a nipa dodo onwu wɔ yakwantempɔn so no wɔn mo kɔ almost by 240 which is very very bad and every day bia no akwanhyia dodo a esi wɔ yakwantempɔn ahodoɔ so no mepato akwanhyia dodo no ɛyɛ 40 accidents every day bia akwanhyia dodo a esi wɔ yɛma mu ha bebia no mako 40 na yɛhwɛ wɔn a wɔn pra every saa accident no mu yɛhwɛ wɔn a wɔn pra every saa accident no mu wɔn yɛ pra every saa accident no mu mepato sɛ wɔkɔ hɛ a wɔn yɛ 46 every day nipa 46 ɛna ɛbɛ pra through accident every day nipa mako 46 and every day nipa nwɔtwe ɛna ewuo why are we doing this to ourselves as a nation and yɛhwɛ kaa dodo a ɛta involved in this accident for every daily and every day biara ɛyɛ 69 vehicles or motorcycles get themselves involved in an accident. The indiscipline on our roads is too much. And why am I not causing indiscipline? Men cause obia than our drivers. Obi oho when you say ha edikwan so because speed and so because speed. Obi oho car no when nsan yan kuku aso ye and so ye de ama no e de car na sikrom na wo de akwa kodi nyam bransam ama akra ato. You're the driver for I don't know. And sometimes it becomes very worrying when you see our drivers under the influence of alcohol. I don't know Dawson. Obi okra na wude unimo obetimi akwashi wi ni wa ba betena okabu na otena ode kwa akwashi am na donkom ani ndu bone obi oho a wa drivers a wa bre and so still obese car no wode beko and I do one also ye na because who bra ye na ene beba so who bra ye na ene beba. Sometimes I pity your VIP, your OA drivers, you know. Long distance, you man imagine from Techiman to Accra. Obidi beko or anajo or could do anopa. Daytime almost so better. And not do send obeti me other daytime. Edwana Joshua was at the bank crying. But we are told, say, for such long distances, you know, I was a driver for no a yemi. And so no, this is not happening. This is not happening. Hwananu that the ekosi ewo eye Accra Kumasi road. I say sorry for bia omuko nhyiemudie. Nipa be over 18 and atwa nananom won sie do through that particular accident. So why are we doing this to ourselves as a nation? As some way a bunny a car me pa also bombarding na kebio. Asama aba ye kembi no accident on our road ekum nkrofo no ye besere wusu kembi o because one kebia o chine bi no ebe kan se nya wo a ye wabusuani because every day nipa be 8 ewu through accidents 1 year e prabe 46 na chese very very alarming. And sometimes too it becomes very worrying when you see say obinam yakwantempon so eni kwan so nam ho aposifo ni mpanyimfo a ya paul mo say wo mo hwe for safety to be maintained on our roads in the ground there. Allegedly they go taking money So why are we going as a country with this particular data on road accidents? This data made through the National Road Safety Authority and the MTTD division of the Ghana Police Service. Why are we doing this to ourselves? The rate at which accidents even dummy market higher. Even especially Accra. Now 37 wa shede si ye ukade ni bi. What on an one said? With the MTTD division of the Ghana Police Service, your best ceremony. Your best ceremony. Your best ceremony. Moi, ya power mo say munjina ya quantum po ahodo so say there be sanity will be maintained on our roads, you know. Your best ceremony. Because Ghana, as we speak now, we have so many problems. Just to come and be worrying about road traffic offenses and its attendance problem. What do you best remo? Driver for your best remo. Your best remo. Mean said that means I am. So on him say kaka na wabra jiwa home. So on him say kana wudi si quantum pono so kana chimatobi wo ho a emfa nkosi so. So on him say when you kuma me pato enkaka no. So when him say one monsa na one mundo boni bia enko drive it. Because it's too much. Every day Nipa 8 dying on our roads. Every day Nipa 8 dying on our roads. Where is our conscience as a nation? Patrick Makwaba.
Prof. Mejoso.
Na pum ti say.
Nyame adomboko.
Miraho.
Your road accident na asem ne de.
Miraho. Miraho.
Because it's too much. It's too much. As figures here all day to today, very devastating. But the unfortunate thing is that road accident here is in Accra. Mostly I car na at photo. You're reckless driving.
Interview we now because this one we would have to discuss it in totally because someone had dream pa. Ya kwa manosona ni ora ya waboaje wono your friend 5 p.m. Dia dodo na de friend wono na ye ne di nkomo ye nim se eye akwetiafo a wontie SOMPA 106.5 FM anase me ne mo kasei ya pa se eye ora asumedu Embra na wombejina as the MPP parliamentary candidate, you know, Akwetia by elections. Here, because say 1 year Akwet, 1 year Akwetia no. Sabri candidate is say no muhuno. Alright, Yawabaji, aka 5 p.m. For God and country, either say Emma Kwaba SOMPA 106.5 FM in Navy.
No, many are also Bejamusuka.
Right, what I put to say. Yahu ye pa. And then we there ejaboni that the accident say Yahunu won krata baby say the new patriotic party Akwetia by election ya eba be kosui ora ye friend no asumedu wono na party na pound say obegina na we see akan say ye beto ababa ne so obaba ye parliamentarian for Akwetia na ye bisa say Akwetia no ura ya apawo no yi say na Akwetia for ehunro na edin beto odwai nsem na wate efi Akwetia ho
no ni damasi amintia bo tie funya asema wo di family nka yampa o ka asumetu no ye MPP constituency treasurer nti ba say yewura ns kunu mankopo to ni safrem ma obi ankofoli wo di kokoko e won wa epelu obi adi di ko asumetu so di ekobi so mu eba from begusegusa enkrofo reggae begusegusa enkrofo no nti na se ehia se won di asumetu na eko nti no endra na won hia wo enkran ana won frɛ won etina nya nipa enan ne won di tu woni ayi nsisi de kyerɛ won sɛ nipa won de no kwa won fi sɛ obetumi agi city na wojuwanti bia mba wo ye asumedu nti no ɔno na wɔn de bɛ kɔnti wɔn ka asa akyerɛ wɔn wɔn ne nipa candidate fo nyinaa kasakasa na asomdwa aba kama nti no akotia deɛ ɛyɛ obi anim sɛ ato deɛ mpanyinfoɔ agye atom sɛ asomdwa na wɔn de no ɛɛba.
Na ɛdin na wɔn de kɔɔ sɛ wɔn fɛ sɛ wɔn gyina on the ticket of the New Patriotic Party no na Amase na ne din ɛka ho bi.
Kasa na ne din ka ho paa.
Na ne din ka ho paa. But ɛkɔba ne sɛ party ni esi gyina yɛ sɛ ɛyɛ owura Kwame Asumedu ɛna wɔn de ɛkɔ no wɔn a ɛka ho no anya biara no abutɔyɛm bi ɛwɔ wɔn afa na ɛma amanyɔkuo no.
Yoo mɛda so sɛ party deɛ obiara wɔn candidate ɔpɛ nti sɛ yɛntusu deɛ na yɛtusu nneɛma bi a yɛbɛyɛ biara no wɔntu nketenkete bi deɛ ɛbɛba bɛtɛ ɛyɛ kasa ne yɛsiesie na yɛbɛyɛ ne de asomdwa aba because party no woyɛ dan a nipa no oni wɔ seat no na ɛsɛ yɛtumi bɔ ho ban na nipa no ɔgye seat no koraa no bɛbi ko ɔda no na koma yɛgye seat no na koma koraa bɛtɔ ne yam ɛsen sɛ deɛ seat no bɛhwere.
Na wohwɛ a enyinasoɔ bɛn na wɔde gyina so a ɛyɛ owura Solomon Asumedu party de power no.
Enyinasoɔ ni paa deɛ mankɔ top obi nti minim enyinasoɔ bɛtɛ mom to me no minim deɛ kakra ne yɛ kakra ne sɛ na me woni sɛ wodi akonya ne ma Amase a ɔfata paa obetumi awie ni but ɛnɛ skuli nkurɔfoɔ bɛyɛ sɛ see yɛn to aba no ana see na akɔfa nsɛm bebree de aba ana nipa no a ɛnɛ skuli nkurɔfoɔ nso de ne ba ne yɛ lɔya owuretu ɔno nso sɛ wodi akonya no ma na sɛ ɔmbɛdidi party na Amase nkurɔfoɔ no bɛyɛ see na akɔfa nsɛm bebree aba saa deɛ a yɛmfa ma obi a ogyina nkyɛn yɛde ma no ɛno no ɔni Amase na ɔni ɛnɛ skuli na ɔni bia nti na deɛ yɛde ma no obi enya ne ho asɛm bia ɛnka ama nkɔfa nsɛm bia mfa ma
wɔn ɛhwɛ winning of the elections anaasɛ wɔahwɛ na party mpanyinfoɔ no ɛhwɛ sɛ winning of the elections because you have said sɛ Amase di anka bɔde ne bank up ade anka done deal for the party but the party no fee sɛ Amase kɔmɔ de ne ba na obetimi awini as against aye owura Solomon Kwame Asumedu ya. You don't think say party na enfum so kese?
Oh, party ni enfum so Asumedu so obeyi seat easy. Oye popra oye district oye minor. Dom ekura na wine pro edwuma mu no ene dom ketwa. Nti no ono de ni di ekura no deda oni NDC for eye adwuma oni MPP for eye adwuma sebio ye pointi in Ukraine NDC fa fa one ye meeting 3 times asoko aye won nwa appointing because NDC for na won ni ye adwuma no NDC for no abo won ho mem se momra na ye ntena na ye nhwe obi a ye de ne ba ebeboa ye na yetumi agi seat and the military should be from Nyawabwa say AC NDC for any Asumedu yetuma na catch NDC for the prince one ba meboa can do one you one master NDC for the unity one beboa ama Asumedu yetumi agi seat one seat na one oba won ekoba ansa woduma kora bebo ti kwa won ye bididi won ko se
na ye kase owura Solomon Kwame Asumedu obetimi ama yen the ho abakosam kakra adwuma oyɛ baby ofree and currently where he is obetimi abo ne ho abakosam kakra.
Okay, owura Kwame Asumedu oyɛ akeni anaye yɛbɛka achimni ofree achimboedua otumi di ade wɔ boedua ana ehona nebusua fuo ni maami ni papa ni pia wo akinko bia ana osaye miner wa ye miner chiye o ye top miner wo ba isi ready ya dia mine bie ni wa o tese Asumedu debi ni chidie obie ni wo nti etuma o ye miner ana osaye friend ko fu bebre oni wo ye adwuma wa fon wo adwuma o tua won ka ni ade ekoba ntino na adwuma ni no nsam kakra ni minimum
yo ye hunu say nipa miense bi so akwa form say wo mo ebe contest akwetia by elections no ewo NDC ticket but the dia ewo ha no ye wo Henry Boache and wono the constituency secretary ye wo Bernard Bedia Kubeidu and ye wo Erasmus Connie Ali we ni nkofo a won akopeke form say won be contest akwetia by elections no on the ticket of the NDC say dimiensa we amaboboyi which of them do you think say likely NDC amanyuku no ebetimi apart say him franca to that effect for the NDC akwetia by elections no
me who me say Ranford Koni Ali ni tani me asanka polo who me say ono na ni plat ni what chance no wo
ti asanka poyo no so the wo hwa what so ade a ono so agidin akwetia ho pa ho
o di pa asanka polo wo di pa weti aseme mapen ama waye yempuntundu mebi wo akotia wo fa baby cry for asanka road asanka bridge asanka say yes o wo di asanka no say NDC for quentina make cash su dia say ye benye people for bi kura e beto abade ama asanka
wow I didn't know kind of sa
ono so ye minor ono so wo nduma obo MPP for obo NDC for yes only MPP for ye close MPP for only wo ye free bebrebe ye business bebrebe ntinu
SOMPA
TC yamfa ma no yes ni nanfo for ni MPP for nti yamfa TC no kra amfa ma no wona ye di born charge kesi nti a TC no yamfa ma no nti we abeda wona wasabi no ahyemu nti se ono na obetumi ewini commission sana me na me hu tie enkoma NDC for na ye no nkwa edwuma ekoba na etu aba ni bi kasa no tumi se asanka no na won nya ya nka won be ma wabedi party ni bi ama wo kromwa
I now say 5 p.m. so ma hokwa ma ni udi nko na mo etiefo etio e bi asem bi o ha ma mbisa office o di to dwa beboa be pacho ekwan da ho
oh asema e ho ne say o say achen akotia ye ka de bi ko ye fraction point ye to aba de bi nto kwesia akotia first nti let's we ya ebe IGP na mesre ne say mpenipo tutu won nyema yie akotia ye ni ye ho ye di ye ho agro ye ko ye ho adwuma wo che NPP ni no ni NDC fo ne ye adwuma sana NDC ni anu ti ami politi asanka poyo oni NPP fo na ye adwuma ntino sa oyine na esi wo by election no yes sira won esi wo akotia semu de masa me ka mo bia se akotia sa nyama na esi wo akra no esi wo akotia kro bajinfin me ka akire mpemifo masa ma me ka no kwabi mfanfam ne kwabi o tumi nka
me ba to kara ne yanko
ena mani asemunti a kroma yenkuo ni na ye mani area no metumi akasi mebu se ni padudu ewo kro no ye 100 a emu be ye 70
really
sanadie komenda no kwa yawe komenda wo kroma yawe nti kro atisa no yenkodi rofu me na me ka tro ye asema ehia me pa menya akonye ni di tu empemifo ni komwa ni pa ye ni pa 100 ne wo kwenso disika no ma emu 70 and mining center because you could go down, you could be a gold diamond, keep your yes, and then I go for the Shire. I'm Robert Stabber Taki, and in Taboni for a while, I bet you go, your base, a true year from 1 year, and Yana.
SOMPA FM.
Can pray. Until yes, someone near money, see, IGP on your serious, on your what. Said the Beya, the better Abadarian, Yanti Jami, Yanti say, ne Beya something, the obey we need piano, or ye Akoti, you obey Biano or Yendi Finicra or Yakani or Yendi or Yakani or the year to Mama Akutia. Ama Akutia into my paper until where the Atisadiana made you to one masquito, Bambon here heavy, 30 a day. Would you be a man?
No, 5 years, Sabrea. Young no opposing for sir one more elections ground I could provide this security. Bambo now I'm providing a 20 BBM crowd. But as I say, what my aswate. Sir, Uba Quitia, Nipadudu, what two Krudomono. A idea, 1 year dozen ye pa. So, what would you advise, Bena? Would remember a year IGP, any the Ghana Police Service Administration, so much is Sabria.
Ne strategy won be ma position na tuna baby na won would asoja for kra aba nka e be ye better sebio police me no so ni padudu na no kana no ye so den so approach force how so say akra say approach for no enso so de won kwaye asoja for le jina wa nyama we enkoso nka won ma approach for nka baby na nka kotia by election we nko ade former Asota Fombrin. Because one share matter, a besi, any beer, a chosen a piano, put you can run a target to wash it, rubber bag with them. Oh, you know.
Many have been asked 5 years, I mean, asked why. Now, for when you did, be out of more high, you're bound job at Jim. Why?
Automatic.
Yo, I was for a branch at 5 p.m. and I'll tell some in the Dinko. I do not afraid of 5 p.m. But the Diancasano at the Yao Abuajip, where your MPP Nima Pa, and I'll tell say, Yenny Dinko Monevi, I will for God and country Jubilees. But then the chat, the likely candidate, the NDC for Ebetua Bamano, Ra Erasmus Connie Alino. I do not afraid of Sir. Asanka Poyo, no, Yanano Bedin Komo, ND chair, I was SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Now, ya catch up, say, no number pa. Ebe be a homatophanatum, numbers are phrases so 0260 196064 0260 196065 0260 196064 0260 0260-196065. Patrick, wait you.
Prof.
Back to the accidents.
Yeah. Accident.
Yeah, because I have my drink. Because I make a saying now, and that's only no meeting. Because no, I bet you. Maybe I made a car, and I would do car. Let me see Quemo. Not drive any beer or no. Sabin previous said, "You are Conomonsa." Ebi car no soon, you know. Then send young Kukwastia no see. Ebi a car or the Piero. Can't cry our problem. No, the Baba Pemo. Because every day, say Nipa 8 a war through accidents. Our Ghana ha. It must be a concern to all of us.
8 multiplied by 7 by 31.
Yes.
I know.
So it means that every week, Nipa by 42.
Yeah.
And I should run and go. Through accident every week.
Through accident.
Every week.
Yeah,
every month, nipa by 240 and a cop.
Reckless driving on road is one more day. Overtaking, wrong
overtaking.
But
what speed no. Speed no.
Competition and walk one is on the
But what him say? Some time passed me who said MTTD for Ghana Police Service. I am now more adibia. Speed guns be omudi chair no macho na sa isise na kwa kusise
menya sure say go see my prof because
and even grano on a major roads these days grano MTTD for me wom but I say bunu is there me tan hu so bukọ
and e be under for the omo ye because prof asem go dey say ka
oh yes
say ka ma eto empanifo asum say ni pe wu anya yare o sabi.
You see, because the MTTD division of the Ghana Police Service and the National Road Safety Authority. Ometimi kasa by etimum for. Yesuban and
Yansisa
ya dream.
Salvation ye.
No, but why?
Yenya.
Hwɛ na no ada oh Kumasi baby. Me hwɛ video bi ma me bi na ɔtɔn aduane wɔ kwan nkyɛn. Driver ni bi di akwa konum. Ana me hwɛ car no registration number na ɛyɛ DV.
Government car.
There be yenya register.
Yenya register. Omo tango phones ne tu mirkapa no. DV phone. America omo kon.
Hey, now maybe can't grab it. Brother, call 80 grams. I didn't know them. Because about the son, I'm drink. Hey, me tie bet me too. Bibi bet me buo can I say?
Oh, and conformity your moon consider.
No, but that is what a driver must be thinking. Because car now they can anything can happen at any time.
Yeah. If Papa been the 2 me for say, oh driver, my 5 senses in India. Because
and sometime personal now National Road Safety Authority say if you are driving, don't talk on the phone.
Hey, says yeah, obi test it. Hey, call, hey, snap, hey, TikTok, or Canberra or driving. And the 21st century is under Prof, I no dear grand. Now do be who buy
abemu be not Timoto so do me haya. Me hu say na o test no o twi moto no test.
Omo timi snap crowd time omo driving. Now I won't go social media. Tell you me no the social media near te
No, but Charlie
obi driving now for no snap. Now oya TikTok.
Say no nim. Sa a year by senior Edwin you many a quack or pay the other Friday for one day who say that senior here. I am me producer. Oh, what I don't go but your pedestrian knockdown 1,301.
Some microphone says, see, and the shiny show me a near regulator.
Because they are not being regulated. Pragia for any Okada for they are not serious one bit.
Mesoya list mistake. It has what the baby one no the bet you.
What about you car? What do you car?
Me am coming for help you move.
Sir.
Oh, me fa ko fa taifa.
Now
na ma be si atimota mo anu ma ba. Me kon so anu ma fa ha na me si ha na me ko.
No, because nuisance.
All right, but me fa ha because of pragia phone in time. Well, na anope na me ni obi kasa wa America.
Yeah.
Prof. Na o say o ko baby. And na o ko na a police for jinan. Police for jinan no. Na tete wa speedy over number na so speedy.
Yeah.
Omni ko court. Or court could almost $450.
Look at this.
Just for over speeding.
But can that happen in
Ghana? Now what so
they say over the weekend because over the weekend Legon a street high street also from Legon to Shashi to the police I say park. Me park you also my jumping red light. Tell me say red light when am I jumping?
How many be me paying?
Red light when am I jumping? But I ain't call office. Now I'm super so wasting my time. They all can in your mouth. And to be seen from who said that member say yeah we are police in here so Jenny. And I'm saying you be
now can say we police.
There be a impersonation. Me mean yes sir. I can't do that. I don't catch say no. Maybe a teacher ni.
Correct.
I say teacher for the music as when you.
That's a okay. So a politician be now you be. That's a government you know. We are going so a good.
Teacher ni no. Teacher for the. Teacher di grada mo haje and why mo home ramra some questions how put to me as I was sapunye
we ye di bu man
oh God na
so go de la
hey akoma kumi teacher di po 20 cedis na ko Charlie kremu dia me give me kremu be juda.
Oh, it's too much.
Yeah, too much.
The systems are not working.
The system is rotten.
The systems are not working. Meanwhile, there are systems.
Ghana, I want to. Ghana, your national pledge, you know. Your national anthem, no, what does it say? Ghana, your national pledge. National pledge. Yeah, now, you recite it and moon something say. And someone, ewo mu no yen Ghana fo a ya de sha ewo kuromu ye di so ana
oh ye this prof yanko national pledge no
come into
I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana my motherland
mami mbisa yen timem fo do
are we loyal
ye di no krema o man no me ba so ye di no kre
that be
ye di no krema o man are we faithful
the police now what did 20
me pa so are we loyal are we loyal to the country
that be
me ba so ko with him
I pledge myself to the service of Ghana with all my strength and with all my heart
esiana
that be yeah, the heart na my girlfriend. I promise to hold in high esteem our heritage won for us through the blood and toil of our forefathers. And I pledge myself in all things to uphold and defend the good name of Ghana. Good name of Ghana.
Now, you defended the good name of Ghana.
Ghana the cry so help me God near the atwaso. That's a radem moyen. A radem moyen near the quantum to bribe 20 Ghana, 10 Ghana, 5 cities, a radem moyen. So I say you call the national anthem.
I want to walk people through something who say Ghana nina ye di o mine abro pa. Ye di o mine abro.
Koye.
Me ba to ye di o mine abro.
Koye national anthem. God bless our homeland Ghana.
Me da say.
And make our nation great and strong. Both to defend forever. The cause of our freedom and of our rights. Fill our hearts with true humility. Make us serious, fearless, and honest. And help us to resist oppressors' rule. With all our minds
and with all our
and our strength.
See
a PROF Abotchie. And we talk and I don't know.
Charlie.
Yeah, Papa Philip behold the trust I did in 1957.
I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Mother Ghana. But she said, and interestingly,
you kind of trust her.
We don't hold it. One say, I might be what that you see a kind of a ball. I can see it. Your ball, mumu. Aya anthem. What me say sum and then you be on the ditch.
And you born national anthem crown no bit ho.
You born national anthem. Obeti ho.
What can na
to so one thing.
On who near bakura.
Why is that sense of patriotism?
No, ayera.
It is not there. It is gone.
Ayera.
Oh Ghana, I'm a Ghana.
Ayera.
And see about them
patriotism na ayera.
So how can we inculcate that into your generations, our younger generations? We
need a renewal of mind.
Renewal. Say you hear such.
Yes, such.
You hear adwin such.
Yemfa omane do.
Omane do.
Entina yemu. Sanya adie wo fi a. O say na obe wesisi ka koto foforo. Sa na ese o ma wa adwin ba so say so man na de da ho na wo ko say na eno so man be boka akotua. Entina dwere ho say ade we ya mekoye. How is going to affect the nation?
Let's have a renewed mind this afternoon. Let's have a renewed mind this afternoon. Unforgotten country. We should have a renewed mind.
That's right.
Yenya renewed mind as been previous. 1 year edi America etu America tenten e wo yakwantim so no mejai. 1 year ebo o mind no krono no wo mejai. Everywhere there is corruption. I saw them there is corruption. I saw them, and I saw them corruption or there's corruption. There's corruption. There is corruption. Everywhere there is corruption in Ghana. Patrick, sometimes me Ghana me sorry and upon me dreams I be a Ghana near. Now get me Canada. So be pie na ba ko kwenchen kwa branye didi pa na roba no we jatu
pam. Prof, my man cast my man friend. Last week, na me drive and taxi driver be ne di manim. Na taxi driver ne di me say no ato kosua ya no ani mako. Kosua no ani mako no some the rubber na titire. Na me ya mama ya nipa we for and I think the Gosiani, we are not much to rubber that to actually.
Look at this.
And Miss Pidi and I'm a crossing one. And I'm a catcher almost saying, Mumu Yamoti came where. Now I'm your fortunate thing. A nippan confirmed ticket, Mommy and Penny for Baco Crams and no bought. Sir, a year I have for 4.
Yeah.
It's them so your henny.
Oh, hey. Wow, look at this. Look at them. Yeah, you were right because you were being patriotic. Because even this nation, oh, baby, my Ghana, yeah, could be. Say patriotic enough, and go be enam sikeni breso, and go egalam say maninu ya hunchire no maninu ya.
Oh.
Sikeni bre, and I say, ma. Some me say in fact say me amiti. I've been in this journalism work for about 27 years now.
Prof, what about you?
26, but Obia, one over remember 2-3 years. Or person yet to say me. If you don't sacrifice, you don't get.
You won't get.
If you don't sacrifice, you will not get.
Yeah. Sacrifice.
And because of that, you feel about this time around. Shortcut. Shortcut me then.
Since I who you for net that 29, 25.
Charlie.
29, 25.
Ghana. Patrick,
Prof,
may I say so by
now
every day we will have this encounter.
Renewal
of mindset.
Boss every day.
Sir Branche Mackenzie, what dress it come Wobby? A Branche Mackenzie. Hey, Okado no cry. Very patriotic. I didn't ever hate the cry. Mackenzie will say it. Oh, Ghana, pa dear. I me yo, me that's what I know, papa, na me timeni, na me Ghana. I me yes, all because of the unpatriotic nature, the dishonesty, the level of dishonesty that we have as a people in this country. The level of dishonesty. We are a dishonest people. Just very few. So far, my money na, but your friend is about 10% penny honest, and I be a patriotic. I know the Mackenzie, they made 10%. No.
SOMPA FM.
I wish for and I say Jana so do, but Monfan Chevy because sometimes they may be hard drink ye pa. The Okre Ghana ye womu na akwensia ekum ye na de hye se a ade hard drink. De biara da no nipa wotwe. De biara da no nipa wotwe. Ene ewu. Let us say idea hard drink ye pa. Let us all have that renewed mind. Ni country ye say this time around no yankasa no ye behwe hu ye. Awo ya kwantim ebonso dwuma bi a ye de ama wo say ye na fa bo oman no ni nyina no ade a wo so ye ni nyina say ebebo ye nyina. Nti da busua say den komo no tie no ye ntaka ura Kofi Apietu Ampao. Do you know friend Kofi? Aya 1 2 3. Kofi 1 2 3. I hope to say. Hey Kofi 1 2 3. I'm a base.
First of all, I've been correct. Kofi Dochi appear to Ampao.
Oh, Kofi Dochi. Producer, take note. Kofi Dochi appear to Ampao.
Aye.
AKA Kofi 1 2 3
4.
4 abeka
4 ka honde dada
sa
Kofi
1 2 3 4 Kofi that's it for foreign country that's it ma kwa baba SOMPA 106.5 na pom to say good yeshudi mushahudi ya mo say Carlos I would dom sisi already MPP no
me Carlos fititi any fititi fititi me Carlos fititi me kola brim ni me hu say me papa ne me mama epe na no ani red white and blue but why join Kwabra Japan's team me pa join me any spokesman
kasama no
me pa join
really now why you mo outdoor na we
ya nene
we metenka
so ba utenka say
metenka say
ready na dana say so am I in chance na ye 2 minute party for ya sha ase efe ni e ba be ko party for na so ye be ko original
e ho na mo ko tutu mo num tuo
be kan ne wo se ani o mo kan bia ye ne o
mo be kan no kra bia ewu no kra bia ewu
na de ba ko so am pa wo ye Kwabna Japan reputation integrity Kwabna kan say ne tie
sure
French mu eno ano
Kwabra Japan dey say be na interview hada Even within the NPP, I didn't or Becca.
Of course.
Yeah, or Becca.
Of course.
And I like him for that.
Of course.
Coffee 1, 2, 3, 4, Makwaba.
Yeah, yeah.
Ali Ryan.
Bema.
Now, put to say.
Na me adon.
Now, yes,
Oh, yeah. I'm saying ko Tanzania kakra.
That's
1212 be.
1212 any day.
Na better Ghana agenda na yes set no yentra faako. And the
say better Ghana. And I reset.
Oh, yeah, better reset no. Nyina.
Sa. And to makofa better no. Answer the better reset no
better papa. One more the cover better previously. MPP voana.
Na then on the buy.
Oh, me say afei any reset Ghana.
More reset.
Yeah, reset kra dada.
Ma reset dada.
Na wo de ekoso na.
Eno ne sikapudo bia ye say Unibank fo akwakoye ya. Sa papa na wo se yetwe na so aboso e dey play bag any makwaji scam o man no den.
Na dey enti na ye hwehwe na so. Yes sika kra ya. Sika ye se obo o man MPP for di akire I mean almost 8 years. Wo dey na wo mutwe ji sika 10% po. No one buy papa bando obeje over 60%. Adwuma na na ye no. I mean 40% na aka no so. Ye nka se de che no. Kwan bia so ye beje. Tementi ase ese nkrofo de dey says ye reset your mind obi bia wa form sika o man mu bia no so MPP ni o so NDC ni o ye beje.
Mo beje ro. Okay, mama na se mama Mackenzie let's say. She be got so mic my boy. Okay, good.
Oh, and send just Democrat is a parliament. Not in any other kind.
Mamum can say. Mackenzie na pop to say.
Nyamiadum.
Good to have you again. Yeah.
We had a match, I'm no match, I'm a tear for. And the mama meniaje, me bra friend me na meniaje pa.
Yeah.
Sanse na minim se me ba be to minua NDC for.
Yeah.
Send trash mama. O yo mo den o mo sesa. Suban o mo
Mackenzie.
Oh not to way.
Mackenzie.
Bisa no obeka no kracho.
And then
oh, minua ni bisa no. Se me boa obeka cho.
Unua no.
Minua pa no no.
And I den na hye na ma.
Entro. NDC ni o mo nim kase pa AFE. O wiasimu. Eye entro nede. Odi so what in there
na there be enada no
enada mpacho enada ye wo enade
ne
say omo kasa de bi omo ka na nkenne so ko esoro hankanto ko esi miamibra
na say esoro baby esoro de men fam because e hon to kwade de ade a
debi ache
over 100 years now
na mom na nka esi enya kasa de ene kasa pa bi
2021 fight to kwane escalate ho until they won't mean kase enam omo so nti and to kwana ba debi
Yera John Mahama Miko Tuno with that fear of favor.
Yes.
Or Koyen, or say Oba Betsy, even though region Ama the other group.
Kusasi for
so Mekanina. When you intro.
But what change I go to say?
No, yes,
what I can say.
A pachoane.
Is it a pussy? The
Nemo, we see a near back where fair MPP who say. Who say do some way, I'll be who and the way can say or China way can say. Now so ye baby no ye na become and on that efe away. And he said, and then be do her. Na yen sempa nemo na mo ka sembi na beto so mo see road accident
Mackenzie
it's a big worry yes say ye one man penny not buy na for say the first thing no ba be a road network kuma see road ya da so MPP ye buy 8 solid years ya add any value to it achimota dia ya kan say amasama dia da we kra ya so mu efa ana ekoya na chese sabi yanzu ko hwegu ya anene nyame ye yadom dwani ahantanti ade ye call opposition
dwani ahantan na de ko opposition
dwani ahantan
sir
dwani ahantan
Mackenzie
enokre dwani ahantanti ade ye call opposition na mum namfo se Yera John Mahama se oba be ye resetting oba enso maintain on hwe achimota kwan amanfo osu omu sunde bia se ekwan no nyema ekokoso wo ho no omompe momia hwe no way gens for
SOMPA FM
ekro ne senko a adwuma mo ye e wo no way pa ye fish and so come chrome who which of my lord require when you budget keke. Now so Ghana you will go, there will be BAB. You will near Sanko Peska, Tiate, baby the gold board. There be a unique introduction.
Okay, that's right.
Okay.
All right.
Gold board. Na dear Feni, almost Sanchez, Yang Abebunu, and Mem Chesemrante will chrome. I said, Obia uncle to gold nibi. No one say ye phone ye coin. So who cook Kumasi coin so I acquire Abe death trap ye duck a duck gane. Me there a camia ye say, ye no ma ye politics na ye pesi boom mine. And ya Ghana who knew a who be any junior a personal interest. Because that gold board no take and then for so it was and then I'm saying bisa era John Mahama same for so dear ben a gold board no.
But I say obebi sasa question about the whole kasa no ke bibi say a year for 8 years a year nanado a year the government no went to add even a dime to a year Accra Kumasi road, but it's on record say on June 27th 2020 a idea Obo Modern and Woko Commission the Suhum interchange on June 26th 2020. So there was some work done by him. Yeah.
Nemo Mianka who said na era Ejekum Kufo. Yes, I shall say. A year quine to what come and this by 8 years on some manfa. She am account. And now me my dream. Sa quine from Kumasi to any day. Anka era Nanado by Anke baby. Say me kase yamfe bianka wan yes ya anya hwe.
All right.
And I say you can't achimoto ekra na ashase. Nemo, for how long can we treat a simple road like from Accra to Kumasi? About 20 years.
No, even Ghana now.
That is it.
We are 68 years.
That is it. You better Kumasi Accra. The number of souls I lose every day. Are we serious as a country? Or is it because we don't know how to manage the economy? I mean, I think Ghana we lack a manager, somebody who can manage our system for us. Because yes, here will be BIB. That's still we are still beggars. Then I don't understand.
But me, na many Patrick Edin Komobi. The sense of patriotism, the sense of nokredi honesty is missing in every Ghanaian.
We think about ourselves.
It's
more about what we will get today. We want to be named when a whisker.
Sure.
When a whisker sing way. After all, so when you say Japadia Nina, that's a
Udana one sorry.
I mean, we are the crowds will be. And to pregu hobebre no auni ebreno. What do you think? O pregu hobebre na kwana se ye ne ye no. What do you think? And at the end of the day, so for a good chroma. What are their contributions? Because I think these are some of the things, not just the church. I saw them what there. You had the call 2 years for. Now, so your software there was said there by Cocasia. So, bet you on mine and so forth. Say, be beach, yeah. I saw for me some biomanoka. It's as on that domano. No mukre nipa ewo omon sorry them. Almost no mukan sempanichi omon crofo. They should also not relate to omo hu keke. Also for back to me talk as bed 10, 20. Why?
Yes, say it again.
No, it's there. It's common thing that everybody know. I mean, for how long are we going to enslave ourselves? Meme diani say, Segana. Also, anopa na se that labor timito eduani di. Na so comfortable. Na se ensemi no bit me ato account. Na olive very comfort. Don't talk car. It's okay. These are necessity things that everybody needs every day. And so to me, cotton eduani and yanko lorry kwano so yanko she. Airtime bra ye bre. And yan for to say yeah no no. And I'm going to be to me show me or say and no cre. Me dressing no cre because I will forever relate to the people on the street. Yeah, Mr. And yeah, pray. Yeah, till gold board. Me no yake to asa me jamfi. yati ya na start shiche ne car we and no be use or china be use we ulebra crampo say no, you know.
What was
and
that?
they are telling the ordinary people on the street.
It is no,
it.
but not just Samijan feel, but government appointees.
No, I'm not doing a better appointee.
There be government appointees. Government appointees.
Yeah.
And Mackenzie, there's one thing that is worrying. According to the statistics released by the National Road Safety Authority, Nipa 1,301 for the first 6 months. And that woman and Mujina Quanchen and Muchemua car bomb ekumomo, motor bomb ekumomo.
And we don't talk about it.
We don't care. Every day be Nipa 8
because omu here politicians. Omu here priority. Mo being fat to uncle and as one fat and as mistakenly on your binya then owo bi mrem. Ya between no court bear 5 years. Mewa cast a boy man for work. We are not talking about it. This is a country. We need a manager that will understand a laborer on the street.
And that manager is?
Oh, no crap. Won't pay the Uncle Boacheja.
Me da say, Ali.
Many abema. Would you before say obebem crab is a question?
Yeah.
Mame Emma MPP for Yako. The Omo Komu as political party, no. Idea a bit to me at as NDC because party watch you.
Then no more.
Oh, but Sasia Meti. Wait, support to Japan.
Japan.
And maybe I so support to Hine.
Watch Jaco.
When are they former vice president of the Republic of Ghana? Is that Dr. Baum?
Yes.
So raising no more.
Aye.
I didn't call board the home day. A year near my year to 2 near my year Magana. A bear crab here. Coming in me. Semi anum you know way a vagina tree His
Excellency the President His Excellency the President Enche Akunyana Betho Obejina Nchen MPP adishie various people Mate mu party chairman Johnson Esiedun Ketia Obewa Bejinebi Mate chief of staff there Mate finance minister there Mate Okujato a black one there na no agrade baby am got trend esi Samijen figure so be pribi obia
o Samijen figure I can tell you confidently semia mabisa no 101 I mean presidents no onya na dream po in the next 20 years to come
oh so
enoya atesem near mongu but you see it's very interesting. Asuma maybe say ojun ho kwa chire pa na obey worried because mo candidate amaton no amagana fo nyina hunu no say ono eno ye economic week say the by economics be asia for na nyina oya de na mo ja economic guru say mo nyina mo bo na chi say papa eya de say economics oninya asem ketwa mo de no ko
but you and you
manu asia
okay that's fine
mo de papa e ko sin chen papa ya ma bon ho ka tono ama chese Ghana fo nyina hu no na medical for be from mom ana aba yes no highly incompetent yes no ngone ho maden yes said na mo support na mo yodium mo ma na sukuru akos na ye na ada bi na mo da Ghana fo say MPP party machiche ye hu de party no eko ti ye de ekoso no sa na ye pe no womo ba womo nkunkum womo ho ye mfa ho ye de pese ye ne se Ghana fo beti ase na omode oman yi ahye yensa in the next 32 years ne atimi ahwe to correct all the anomalies
32 years
oh na possible
oh
and dollar you say net 10 cedi
dollar nye 10 cedis
oh say
dollar no interbank no mo de abetu dwa Bank of Ghana 1040 and 1050 now but uko abochi ni nchen ho na wenya dollar ni sisi ya
oh na abochi no enra me sisa dollar 10 cedi 75
abochi
oh yes
oh it's not true
you see
no it's not true no it's not true hey no please no, please it's not true the airlines through two say amachi asema man for better abochi nchen me na me abochi amemeti ameme nchen wo ba dollar no hwe
me na me ka kire o bia na wanko abochi papa say o ma hodo de obi ape no de je Eben podi 14 Ghana cedis. So make yi.
I say, Abuchi,
14 Ghana cedis.
But do you know that it is a serious indictment on you as an NDC member?
Yes.
Claiming, say,
yes,
Mutina Radio, so the dollar is available, the dollar is Oko Bank, and now Wako Bank, when you are going to Abuchi, it's a serious indictment.
Oh, yes, not but indictment, because you see, what is happening right now?
Yes.
It's a very serious matter. The Bank of Ghana and Economic and Organized Crime Office (YOCO) have actually taken, charge. There are some unscrupulous people in the system. Now most dollar in the system no more. Bank of Ghana. Measure. We don't take any other person, ordinary person. We look at that of the Bank of Ghana. And all banks are they'll give you the Bank of Ghana rate. Bank now Onyebi. Oh, Onyebi. What bank abroad? Oh, they be here.
Because even with the bank, yes, with the bank, what the Bank of Ghana have told them, then they say no, will be here dollar no bar physical dollar per the Onyebi. But if you want to do a transaction, they'll do the transaction on your behalf.
Yes.
I know, say businessmen they complaining.
Yes.
Yes. Somewhere last week we had a conversation with Greater Accra regional chairman, and he told us point blank.
Yes.
So sometimes we get transfer over a month.
You see, the reason why we are doing this is that we want to bring discipline in the system.
Oh, okay.
Obi oha dollar no ojia no ahodo. Obi betimi akose me hia dollar say me kokra ne oma say e de aba. Okoje dollar na no akohodo. Eno na ema na dollar no enya de enyina so no. Ti de ekoso no e some kind of discipline e de ba system no.
Okay,
I mean, so person wo de koye ABC here. Bring the evidence. Say dollar now was open no. When na person.
Okay, but maybe a question with the exit of John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, a man penny or TCC, we NDC.
Yes.
Parties no match why not support? Parties no must start a dinner eba.
Chairman Mahama how many
me patrol there be
me support.
Why not support?
No NDC person is allowed to openly, support any candidate.
Yeah, come on now too.
No, I mean, I'm declaring my intention.
But
you see, the point is that
but I'm saying I know me 2 or 3 years. Eric Opoku, I think on one of the networks saying say Obeba.
That's how room or
and we've had his spokespersons trumpeting that.
The spokesperson hasn't come out officially. I'm now studying them. Me declare my intention. Now all the candidates about Bontin at to Mamanum to direct say omo person omo contest.
Now
my way I'm baby me support him. But see there is a agenda.
You can be honesty. From where you sit,
yes,
meaning so you're very, very honest. But with this particular submission you are giving me, it is dishonest because you know where you are.
No, I don't know. I don't know. Honestly, to be very honest with you,
see, you see me 2 times. So honestly, to be very politicians.
This contest will be a very tough contest.
It will be a tough
candidates now. They are all highly qualified.
So from what you said, more highly qualified. Which of the candidates would you tip?
It will be very difficult at this moment to tip one particular
because
candidate.
Way.
But what I know is that standardized.
Okay, that's fine.
But the most important thing is say. Sami Ibrahim Aliya meti hekura na NDC for be yemi Sami Nkonko conteste an NPP candidate obvious say me win.
Okay,
so we are not interested candidates na de na ekono. What we are interested in say President Mahama be den ebe born home den.
Okay.
Say the economy no e kwa nyoma e koso say the say na efata ya MPP for ntimi nei.
Ali, we'll come to those substantive issues, but Lori Akwinshia these days empower.
Yeah.
Lori Akwinshia accidents on our road. Too much. Accra Kumasi road. Dirty. Sisi o mine yenye.
I think say a chance here and then akum ye. I think last time I was traveling from Kumasi to Accra.
Yes.
No kwasem na me penentem ye pa ntina me pese me fa wawafo ibi. And eja me ko gina akwanche na eja me free because I wanted to be the time. But I was shocked. I just cry me no me ho.
Obenu.
Hey,
speed.
Like omo wawa no de jayo. Ope won kwan de a massa don't venture. Seriously.
Wawa drivers.
Say I say I had a brochen walk. So many are pa me nim no year me free the same family. Nancy ono nam kwan ho
Po.
on car men shame car po.
Abono.
Nancy madam for be e papa. Pragia ya ye ka ho asem o wapon adwuma wo ba fie o be ho anse pragia say free o sometime obo ho ne ti panyan wo so eya dia was yetimi ehwe ne yie ewuo no e doso
because it's too much because pedestrian knockdown.
Yes,
1301
and that is even the one recorded bebrain wo ha yen record ye obia ehunu yi so ehunu they see ya make us say madam for year you know pragia piano too I mean you sure say record so they record here in the door so I think say I was saying na yetimi eboa passenger bi o ho say driver call na say oko slow na okikem say na driver kika ho ye penentem ebia no de bi obidibo ni nyome say driver jumai so ehunu say okontem so ye be kasa so I think say it is a collective and shared responsibility. I was said driver for I mean the you know passenger you know kai tribom ni ehunu kwan kra e be fa so you know akonia ba
Ali mami now I say ebusia for SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country in our Sugusoti. Remember show is live on SOMPA 106.1 El Fetchman and again live on SOMPA 101.1 FM El Thakra and we are live on Facebook. Facebook is SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. You can go over onto that page now about modding our message and again we are live on YouTube. YouTube SOMPA 106.5 FM live. Nasakai bio say Uko Multi TV so radio session SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra also betimi akọ na akọ tie dwumadi a ekoso na MPP amanyokuo no ene ade a woma open nomination na wohwe nomination fee na mo de aba betu dwa no 100,000 Ghana cedis so na filing fee 500 Ghana cedis. Now when you bisa say 500,000 Ghana cedis. I beg your pardon. 500,000 Ghana cedis. So can you mean nyina boma? That's about 600,000 cedis. I mean call I've read is 1 2 3 4 in China. Benen this ankomwe. And the nomination forms aba betudwa. O candidates so atunenum etu. Honorable Kwabnaje Japan. Filing fee betudwa. I was running.
Debbie, filing fee no cry recommend we Kwabna actually fought for that. He was very vocal in asking for the filing fee to be set at where it was. We are satisfied with that. Besides, if you want to lead a party like NPP, you have to be resourceful. Who could share 100,000? And I'll be saying raise fees, be 500. To lead the NPP, any BBI party kesiye, ekuo kesiye, and ababi di enimo. Now only capacity to be raise that level of resources to campaign with and do what you have to do. Then you are not ready to lead the party. Intimidate me who grab say I don't see it. I don't have any problem at all with the filing fee.
You don't have any problem
at all. We are doing something serious here. We are not playing. When you are brea now
maybe just say dentina Kwabna aje Japan na or support say filing fee nomination fee ni nyina kaboma 600,000 Ghana cedis. That's about 6 billion old Ghana cedis. Why?
That's what the party needs.
Party the Hieska.
Party Hieska. As a party, you may discount a nipa, you may discount a dome, you may discount a. And I'm a wa.
No. But maybe if you say
I didn't think I would,
because it's going to deter other people potentially.
How is it going to scare other people? How is it going to? There were people who were mentioning figures that were supposed to scare people. There were figures that were mentioned that was supposed to scare.
Figures are not mentioning.
No,
but you have mentioned it.
There are people who mention figures.
Figures like
in excess of 100,000.
In excess of 100,000, are you saying?
There are people who may internal party matter, national executive for share. It discusses man. Then they finalize and they agree on a figure and they come out with it. But I am telling you, go and do your investigation. At the meeting, there were people who quoted figures that should have been higher, but the party settled for that, and we are okay with that.
And you know,
but yeah, feel say nipa na ye de na eba na ye kwabna Japan ne ho do. Any idea kwabna nim wo party no. You see, the institutional knowledge kwabna here is what we need at this point to get the party on his feet. Uni obi ka us you, why shouldn't kwabna have gone for chairman?
Yeah, Gabebe sir.
I didn't you don't go for it.
Well, and the party manager don't know.
Why I didn't you don't go for it no. Party no, flag bearer no, nani so adi hu. Eno di bedi party nanim meboa ena CCR no so ya ma flag bearer no ya ma no tumi e wo party no ye you as flag bearer ye nyina ye to something di wachi nti ade ntina ye bibi foforo. We are on course, we are on track, and we are very, very, very confident that Kwabena Japan is the person to do the job. Kwabena in party, Bibia, party no more, it was a Kwabena in Bia, Bibia here, MPPCC, Bia. Kwabena is the man to do it. He is the best person. Who else? Papa, mini I buy or Baka or Rabo Cheja, oh, yeah, downfall. Yeah, expect to say, or no, Superman, a good competition. But at the end of the day, you know, I think he will agree with me. We will go with the best man. And the best man, he will agree. Is Kwabena Japan.
Obviously, Modi Kwabena Japan, MPP, Modi Nebase, Modi Nibehim Franca. Mobeti Medin Kunim.
Oh, in Kunim DA, age and normal difference. So, from near pre CCI pre for flag bearership.
But ultimately,
ultimately,
you'll be representing the party if he wins.
Ultimately, you are going, the flag bearer has to discuss or has to address national issues. Those national issues, the stage is not set for that now. We will get there, but we are ready. Kwabena made mention of his vision for the country. So, but we did not go into detail. He talked about Greek, we talked about healthcare, he talked about various other things. Openi was there. He had a wonderful speech, you know, and I honestly can't see any serious competition against Kwabena Ejapon. I can't see it. A formidable competition against Kwabena Ejapon. Unless the party, we are not serious. Unless the new patriotic party, we are not serious that we want to mend and fix the affairs and the state of affairs in which we are. Party Nejija.
MPP party.
Oh, Masha. Party Nejija. We need leadership. We need CCI, yeah, can say. Your chairman, Ayari. Your deputy, Ehonfano. So we went to Congress.
But deputy they are here.
Me say, notwithstanding, your Congress, your back.
You have made a point, but we need clarity. What's the party no? Chairman.
The chairman.
Chairman, he's
the chairman.
What they communicate. Yeah, what they communicate about.
Or they communicate.
And the first national vice chairman. Also,
when we went to conference, he was indisposed.
Yeah, but then you see, it doesn't mean that it's not well.
Oh, yes. And I'm saying that he was indisposed.
Oh no, but you can't relate it to the facts. Yes. Patch Gentino, chairman, vice, yes.
Party opposition. There are people. There is no MPP person today who is smiling happily. There is nobody in MPP who is smiling heartily. What in Americano? Who sre kwana? Who dream one sa who sre? Because the situation you won't know. And yes, situation, Papa. Let us be real about that. Let's address it. We can't live and tell each other lies. That be you need situation, Papa. We need a leader who will put the party on track. so that we get ready to face NDC 2028. It's simple, cut and dry. And you can say P. And I say, make an baby.
With you.
Thank you. I say, make an very simple. We need a leader who has the capacity to lead the new patriotic party, united. Obia Okasa, me buy na wo can be will. So Kwabna Japan.
Yeah.
Ne kasa mu. Have you ever heard Kwabna so or dear temo baby ana or two money ubi ana bibi? He has been an honest man, a politician with integrity. That is what we need. A unifier in the MPP is what we need. And your factions. And Kwabna said something interesting today. Or say, when the party started, time on your friend is saying, a dubois and there was never a lose. There was never a situation man for you. We were faction. The entire party was united. And that is the spirit that we have to bring back ahead of 2028.
So the two outstanding candidates as of now, Obisa Ghana and Libya on Bekachero, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Yes.
And then Honorable Kennedy Japan.
Yes.
You are saying, sir, candidates in because of the factionalism, no? Kebeyanka, Impio Muntunche, Nenfa, Makobraji.
I see Kwabna Japan as a unifier. Of course.
Mackenzie.
Today, Kwabna said something today, or say,
yes.
Say, or no, Yeyina's flag bearer in moving forward. He believes that he has the capacity to bring Alan Chemantin and his supporters back into the party. That is a very phenomenal statement that he made.
And you feel that
we have to take it serious.
Party no here.
Oh, yeah.
Alan Chemantin.
Yeah, on in the cheetah for
Solomon Kanzamo.
Masha, yeah, numbers. And yes, Solomon Kanza is all NDC. One of you may hear any vote.
Solomon Wusu na make am. Thank you so much. In cancer there. Solomon Amini Paso. Is it a bomb film about?
Sorry. I'm Amini 5 minutes. Minim sorry.
Mackenzie, but wait here, Kwabra Japan spokesperson. Yeah.
To be frank,
yeah.
I mean, when it comes to Bra Kwabna,
yeah,
or your brother Anissa, me Bibia, just a Bibia, no, me Bra Penny Pa,
Kwabra Japan,
Kwabna, yes.
Okay.
Me just or you're one of the people that always seriously inspires me. Into you'll be a mindi in one grow. Na me Bra Kasembi, no correct. A woman say Bra is very good. Na yanka won say MPP mpanifo no bia obabejina bia no unique very good in like no ane small way obi to me to say Bawumia, Dr. Bawumia, a very nice gentleman, very nice gentleman. Obi to say you're Kennedy Japan. A very loving person. Just that in some way, I'm for Kafan Jose and Chenani Buofu. Oh, yeah. Or do nipa too much. And you know, and a nipa biano penny pass and baby, and Chebiana Buofu. And none any weak points, Kaka. But me no such a person, I don't fault him for say or do nipa na. And I'm saying today be a BB two beer, a yana or the yaw, not the akasa. Mr. Minya Brian, another fine gentleman. Yeah. Now, top of the most, Miami Bra Penny, Mr. Chemantin Wachi Ejako.
All right.
And also a very nice, fantastic man. I mean, Omunina te party nasi nomunim party no. Enti yaka se NPP a anke meka se sani pako we nyina no very good a ombetime di party nanim e di akwaji tumi. Na ne wom ni se mpanifo se so wasem bi kan polling station for no ho So kasana se toma kuma so na to abamawa. That'll be the best thing. Inti baby aye do MPP enye baby aye do aye keka ye ho na ye ka say we na ye good na we na ye good. Na ye good. Say ye ko ye nimu ide. Ye bompa so bia nko abontin ko ye ni campaign. Na ye mfa kasa de ni kasa pa. En kasa nche ye ma no. Na emom se omti wa superma omato abanamai. Na mesansre enna me bra penny about akofa ne like when you declare say or ko idea me bompa ye ma no na me di nyame nso ehira no breo say insema obeka kire party ma no ento makoma so ne mom nyame ye na dom no bedi ye party ye ni wakan na abom ni na akwakoye campaign maka ni say wie no na minua eka say MPP ye mu achiche election bia ni ho a wo kwa obia nkana like enkana sem to be pinse bi kakra no kre esi bebre MPP yako abato yekodi incho no ya obe mu kakra bufo nso be mu ema yakasa bebre eno nti na sebe NDC for benya kwanya bi atumi aka BBC na ne emi ho ni se NDC for de na eba no je se yeko Iraq kokope etu akese be guide om
are na kasa
bra nenno ya manko ye meeting executive meeting so ntokwasi emu achemienu efe bi mo bompa esanka yera Mahama ento aso nko another 10 ebi so ntiase kra amemu ache didenden na me de ne me ye hu nie eye me say
yeah
bia yang hwene yi a na me maame je nana
na waba
debi
okay we so ma me be ma conclude ma me kwa amaro so na me ndi nkobo we sisi ya yesaka Solomon usu ewa ahoma so movement for change afrafranto we obia we very 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 strong and very very vociferous say ebano sa movement ni mu a yewura alanchremanting edano but the ewie yensa kan wa ahoma so ni ba be di nkobo Solomon usu ye ba kwa ba for God and country edase
aboche bejo so
na apopti say
nyamia ni dia wi akade dwoma ama ne beka ho na yawie
nyamia edin dia wi akade dwoma hama ede beka ho na cha say ewie peyo anasa
so na nyame se sia nyame di ahye ne sa ona yeto aye jinye ede ma no so mfa hesu na nyine ho nti se wano anye na fe mu dia se nioma no yake
mami niema ba sa enum bia oya oman no ho betimi ato no niema ba enum
obo dia HMB before na wi isika no Jesus kana man ho beto obo dia ema ore kufodu ko kata samna na direct won so oman e beti obo dia ema numa ebo minim abra what or break corruption asia o no ana be mu a sika bebe mama enyuma be mama mebre no enye biaye na sanyoma we ni ye share say the constitution and article 36 so clear say when in year you also more the brain so ayo man pedia what is so ababia be di also di e dia share nsa wo ye mre no say o make sure say Ghana ni pia no ato na amana ni ade ti e no pe wi ya na say wi nyumre ya wa fra mi me si mani nyanyi ayo man peni ni problem on also make sure say many budget ama bibia awie fe
Solomon usu na wie ye frewa ena da na eye wura kwabra Japan atu na num tuo se onya yanka obahim franka aba MPP amanyokuo no na ewo ne nsem kaye mu no okana se MPP adehye eto abama no se franka tuni ema amanyokuo no ewo abra won kwa kogina akono 2028 general elections na wono no ade a ode owura alanchremanten ebeba ama MPP amane ababesom MPP amanyoko no asomo to dwa na say producer yi ende yentu yen Sanfre Solomon awusu say anya bia no say kwabra je Japan empo no anya saa di brena no to mo Sanfre mo say momna na mo bedwa MPP amanyoko na ade abobeba na
Abochi what's the kwabra Japan le kai na say
kwabra Japan
one mo ne team komo
ene wo kasa no wo ka bibisa se eye MPP se wo ma no eye di breno se Frank Etunima MPP amanyoko na wono oba wo ye unifier na esan se wo unifier nti wo mo free party ne mu dada ko ebi te se honorable Alankojo Chemantin obetwe mu nyina aba party ne.
Well, I don't intend to destroy his campaign because no need say or more primary here or more way. If I come be using in the campaign for the run and chamache. Obia that say party manable say Bunya Franka to the Vera or the oral and chamache baba. I mean, that's a sad line of campaigning, I attend the day to the intelligence of oral and chamache, any more, any free party in me now. So, I catch all the oral and chamache baba back to the NPP. Or you can, what he saying this oral and chamache, I've got an additional free party, none of the more now, within the left or right. And indeed, minimum interview girl granted somewhere in October of 2024. Or make a similar statement, and he got away with it. Roland Chamate did not appreciate a new party in Ayaman in Ewana Bravo in Key. Then one was a guy party. I mean, country Obi Pierre Wire, this was the Roland Chamate debate campaign in these primary citizens. He was very much focused. None of them would have that should be one more than. Or analyze situations or all implications and of course what can so can also Tabi about someone to run and to so about them be a case when also what can
there be
one thing that you have was say the culture of say Pierre one of the friends say in any case what people must understand is that AVRAM no role at Chamate away free MPP. Now MPP will power. Now such a time I want to be Kranwa. Said the money ya money no Kranwa can on that. Ya I will take this a campaign rhetoric. I've never put any capacity whatsoever. So between Edu Ralan or conventional. No, or no cry you run like a Kuma. In terms of Abraham, what you have on the show, no crash on Beggar. No, no moment ever convince it. It doesn't work like that. Nah,
Solomon Usu, me wa Kofi 1, 2, 3, 4. Ha, obeso bisa wasam. Kofi, obetime bisa ora solo asam.
Mr. Usu, me pa job me wa question back ko ebisa. Maybe a twa mo yem say wakoma so na MPP da so pa. Ena yama bibia sintina wako join movement for change. And then my candidate Kwabena Japan wakasa or say ade ba kon eda na niso ade hu kese ba kon say ye no Frank Tufo a anamo betu no obeba owura Chemantin ho no ne na bekasa no wasan atwena ba eku kese no eye MPP amanyoko no mi bisa wo usu question obeba Mr. Uzu Mr. Uzu I Kofi 1, 2, 3, 4 ye mi bisa wo question MPP ye approach Alan say omra wo Uzu would you follow, will you come back to the MPP fold?
On the contrary, I believe so that the MPP will not say among the movement for Kenya. Now, you credibility. It's recorded to me. As I say, MPP party never won. One more leading now. Kesiano pa. Omuni. And go kind of work on one go for what do the voyage we are now? MPP one. Omu the mere fact was on the womb when you move and might be the movie cost. And it is the numbers and the politics. Then the only reasonable decision that must happen is that MPP follow and block, including many of the 2 every guy party no me don't to my before movement every party and the crowd. Now, I wish him well.
Mr. Uzu.
Okay, also wish him well. Yeah, fancy. We say Kwabre Japan well. But Mackenzie so chill. Mackenzie so also only solo kasa. Mackenzie only solo.
Now Mackenzie so represent why.
Boache Janko.
Hey, no we know now what know. 100,000 year and then can I get Timu and minimum for 200,000 sacred. Oh, for 100,000.
Solo you come na me miss ourselves.
Bisado with you.
Hello, Solo. Yes, ne wom ni say. Ne na me bra airpatcher na ne say. Un say nanka ye amanyofo baako.
Thank you.
Bibi ne ko see ye. Na mpem bebre nipa bia no se wonu ho ye ade bonni bi me dem fo se MPP ne yera alanchemante ani ne ye ne mom CSI to me ba ne na se na empo ye to me be pa ne chewa e bia nanka yera agiatum eno sa na I think
Chama 1 2 3 eka
ye eka enti anya se bia okwa akofre ne keke no de na ba party ni
Mackenzie babe muta wa temba be fair to your list. All right, Timothy, or back to MPP for batch what?
I think that answer there.
Pacho man entias here.
Oba also will be a question. Oba MPP was say. Oba as what?
Oba as a party member, as an MPP member,
as an ordinary party member.
Yeah, MPP members.
Sir.
No, whoso or MPP member.
Oba.
As MPP member, but an experienced MPP member.
He's coming back as an experienced MPP member.
I would say all the question or
SOMPA FM.
Now, based on this, and some of us will continue to preach to Rural and Temante under no circumstance. And also, he must not be about the top. So, I'll come back to the NPP. Because there are a lot of dishonest people in the party. We are no at the youthful ages, and they contribute to massively to the development of the NPP. Emma, that time when you go for the capital, but what did the Chica have to spread a share party money? A true baby, a comfort 1 year, what now we are for Wama, comfort, papa. We had this party and block 340 women after your concourse, and it's you all 4 rounds scrap for your campaigner, not executive scrap for some money. No, what I was I can't what we have to be there. We will put that. Take a winning power party more or time the Gamudia, but the levels of Otaya of which chair there, I have never, on principle, some of us believe that Allah the same way. The logical conclusion and maybe better will be better. Somebody will be for yes. And Jamaica almost said, Alan would never come back to the NPP as a senior member. But they won't question your campaign. Now, if you believe in yourself, sir, the lives of Nejafo, the lives of the lives of Bamu Bovia, the lives of Kennedy Japon, the lives of Educhum, the lives of Nejafo are worth the short more than Alan Jamate to represent your party as a flag bearer. No number senior member. Some of us believe that the party that is coming, we will cherish Alan Jamate and make him the flag bearer of that party. We will go into the 2028 and we will win handsomely. And it can reach them all the best.
Solo answer na meja ma kokran da be na bo party mu be da na di
strategically and you mean yet question ya force when more and almost for top down approach and no why it's say yeah on the road to destruction after some elections way when you talk down, there is no way about
SOMPA FM.
Album net about half of it a ghost names. That was soon of the Babisha to Abamano. I'm an winning. Now we knew we are executive of Medina. If you are not with Bomia, we will not become an executive of the party. And then, I'm around one of my no we are the larger party, I'm one that can walk a Kramer party, like I said. Someone about the other time, move for Yaki Mano. And then so when this move. That will put in their case a party. It's also one with the criminal away home. Yet in the air, say, you're not about the Yakana Nii. Step from Temu, and you more or tie and yet grow. Or few or party, and yet the four to say, now, young man at much again, or what that your friend is a charisma. And look, that was said before time. We are not going to allow that. But you want to do for them against your tour, they know. And they cannot SOMPA. And then about pretending that you don't know. And it's any will be captured on the matter of principle. I was set back to for after 1979 you went here.
Ora Solomon was my fan community. But I say only didn't come. Yaminka hon. Now say there as I had there as I only to Quanta Wapai.
And brother, not this time, 5 days, a year to one, I'm my Baba, that's Abba. Now, Yabet was.
Mate, Medasepa. Maminko, 1, 2, 3. 4. Me the 4 that count. Was that the count? 1, 2, 3. 4 the time. 4. 3 that one.
Anyway.
All right. My idea, what is Solomon?
Oh, no, can you a very simple answer? It's about leadership. When you are elected as the leader of any organization, you set your vision and then you commit your followers behind you. For whatever reason, Alan couldn't work with some of the big guys in the party. Differences came along the way. They parted company. Somehow fences couldn't be mended. They've parted company. Now, Kwabena Japan is saying, no, he has worked with almost every faction that you can name in the party. Eduboy on in Ayajuma, Kufo on in Ayajuma, Kufado on in Ayajuma, Alan Chemantino on in Anante, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia on in Ayajuma. So who else? Kwabena has cut the Michel said he cuts across it and he has the capacity to deal with all of them. That is what we need. We need a unifier who we can trust. Obia, what to me, a rahonomo, a pie, I enemies obey me as a raha, a pie. That is what we need. We don't need anybody who is going to go and get us caught in the middle of nowhere. Intinia solo Canada. Minim say ebufu eyaw bebre when people mo say na me buy me di kan no sisi obi anywhere or ka MPP asemwa or this serie any je na eka ye ka MPP asem na ye ka na ye ka je party ne da wakoma so atumu say situation wo mu nemu edu what in America we are looking for competence, we are looking for experience, somebody who has been there. And Kwabena has been there from Ninkola Brim MPP for when I was here Kai, he has been there feeling Ninkola Brim on him penny for in Nante was share BBF your moho near was share for your mohono say a church a dream keke krana. Let's go back to the conference that we just had. Most of the ideas that were adopted at this conference were Kwabena Japan's suggestions. Most of the ideas. How did he gain those ideas? From experience as a general secretary. He has been there. He has worked in the party. And, I did about Kwabena for your mistake. Kwabena or your grassroots. Kwabena J. Japan is a grassroots guy. Obi ane papa we know at the 20. Papa ni wo ye chire no, papa wo ye no, Kwabena so kana brabo mu nsem chewa wo sembe film. Onye dadaba.
Kwabena Jebo.
Ewrade Kwabena nya dadaba o.
Yo.
Kwabena nya dadaba.
Oka street no.
Ewrade.
Me da so ma me na me nko. Ali, wetie. Oh, oh. me bache na do ensi ba do ye bache jako me money tape me ma ose ya
obetimi abo amaye
nonsense no
we don't care. We don't care. But you see,
yeah,
nyananka make kakra ne say you see MPP yanka say di yahunya because nanka me feel say some prepare who are ya prepare bebre sanka yeah anke tumi ya reconciliation before sanema we ni na hono na era lanchaman tim edin kra bemwa ankeye ne mo yankoto aba ne nwie na ewia yakọ akọfa ne sa akola bia otin baby akọfa no. What I think ne say anka we should have done reconciliation before this January election. Others yakọ akọpa ne chew ene ochene ya matise nche ombeti omo party. But one thing that we should not forget is ebekoswe di your party enya till say you be resolve niema bi answer. Oh, and this and yakokase yakofre number mukeka. To me, it doesn't show respect. Yeah. So we should do it as early as possible.
But who is the flag bearer?
Oh,
we don't have a flag bearer.
But that time now, we shouldn't forget so what in the
under the current executives. So who would approach him? The current executives?
That's the question. I mean,
that is my point.
And you all back as what?
Not yet. We will have to have executives. We will have to have a leader. We will have to reorganize, and then we have to sit down with him and talk.
That's a
the party. No,
that is a thing.
Oh, Nasa no cry any to me because it doesn't matter.
Oh, I attend the party.
Nana credit Rajimango MV and this one go TNDP and a go see. And a go see.
I do much as
a papa was in Costa Jumera. It go see. And you know,
you're not landing my boy. I'm in coalition.
Me pacho. Okay. You're Alan Assam no can adding intino. I'll leave it there. Yes, for now. Now make about NDC. Emun sema ekosu bebre. Nyame madwe no. Eba be sini. Minu aba me maame nana. Ebia nche. Minya so be in 4 years. Or no be resign.
Ah,
oh yeah. Sana madwe yemi.
Sana wadwe yo.
Yes. Say
Professor.
Yeah, Professor. Minya so be in the term.
Nana.
Yes, me sure pass or be resign.
Or be resign.
Me sure pa.
Ah, what's away?
There be Saturday baby. I'm telling one sama what you can share me.
Oh, there be you say bisa because as a way there as a more do power.
And no correct. Some politics there ya tesem ne doso. Enti me madwene mu na mechire.
Wadwene mu but enya atesem.
Ni na kan atesem kan pa.
Atesem kan. Atesem plus wadwene.
Plus but nemum so resign ya ye di me bra penny.
Ase don't get here.
There be Julius. About be vice.
Hey sir.
That's what I know and that's what I think is going to happen.
Oh.
Bibi san na kwa kosi. Ense me nu etra ka se NDC mujua. Bese me chere se NDC munju ba kokra sei. Well, just say I say in Sua or just on oh a being kakra fe ne uhuru na boboba empire make sense of more say on bibi on baby ano
but artism ne speaking from your own intuition cultural say your vice president over resigning like Julius aba bisi na name no
say me my dream
no artism no mo no were there timelines
no mini timeline bia nemum eyade a mi gidi ye pa se ebesi pa
ya na si from na membra ali
Messi from Sisia enti ebesi esi wie so a mebra beba be vice oye vice na enti ebedu no mo election ne kono aye bibia o ena na mpese mitu no fo se ebi ato MPP a mema ne ntra ha ensere na eba beto omo de enso enche ebesi nemo esi a onka won se mitu ne fo
mirase na ali
ameni abema
hey
what do
na some when this more succession plan ameni
well see atisem de ye final sem na And some are what it is here, one was here, say, be what it in front.
But there can be no smoke without fire.
But the things that I'm here, say, I test them not on the too short, or something was here, I test them. On ye very convinced beyond reasonable doubt to say, and some now what it is, you know, it does say, no cray, and I'm possessed and no cray. Metihe, may a member of the National Communications Team of the NDC. You come meeting, a brano, and all what is happening, you know, Metihe. I know everything is happening in this government. There's no way. I mean, some are working. You know, it whole day. I mean, Muslim kakeke or they can't same. But I think say no one kwade. Matimi a clarify say no krebia enim rodo rather sem. Now me twasono. Mame enso MPP 44. Say you know. Here I'm same with various parties with our own ideology in the but we are all brothers. They be a share TV, so radio, so your point, yes, the didn't come more. I mean, what are friends for? Media, ka ombeti mia.
Come on, you're
Ka party no. Many acres or say party na di jaw. Or a member of the New Patriotic Party. But here, me and BP on one to nanum tuo aka se party no adija. Na no krenso party na asay what say cho and all the leadership in the party na no yamfa among respect pa be ni ho party chair says here yare enti so see the whole thing, the party should be overhauled. One reason tia betimi am making progress in the next election is say they should overhaul the party. All the executives in the party, was here to say, and here one solution to revamp their party. The atosum, that's another option. Ometimi akofa Alan Kwadwo Chairman Edinaba as a flag bearer for the next election, because no credit eba akope. Yen NDC for. Upon all the candidates, ye bo mudi nyina, they na kwobema ye pressure. Ye be pokum pa Alan Kwadwo Chairman me come chiro me de ye bompa ye kra to say all the candidates de ye sre pass o meto abama no private room boom the former vice president and presidential candidate Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on your bar ye campaign po ye hire home and kwa campaign. We will not waste our time at all. And so if they want to make any progress or efforts in the next election, what the serious advice in Amedema
100,000, 500,000 filing and nomination fees, running to 600,000 Ghana cedis, I don't know who is saying.
When I say so, because Uncrofono Omanya Scapao, Omufra Bemo, me oral reports, by virtue of my position as a communicator for the party, me fancy. Mahuna reports in some government for various appointees. Oh, listen, oral reports. Me say.
Nyabotre mami. Me say no nyabotre. Debi nyabotre. I don't know udi menim kan. Debi I don't know udi menim kan. Me say nyabotre.
Me Ibrahim report.
Me say I don't know udi menim kan. Nyabotre.
Me Ibrahim Ali amete. The reports, I have input in the reports.
Report, man.
Reporter. Ghana phone this report by you. Still.
Debut, we are talking about the oral report. Information. Maybe. Information for Ghana and the buy. The minimum say. Omo de buy omo sone so emo de ko mampanyin so adane ama attorney general na de mampanyin dane ma attorney general no ho asem na okan ya na
me kan
eno no nsem na ewu
na me tell say by virtue of my position as a communicator.
And what have you seen that we don't know?
People forwarded evidence of previous appointees are not omoye ministers. Therefore, and ameti me tabre ede ma okujita black one.
Me bajo me.
Some no can.
Allow.
Gave him information.
No, wait. No, wait. Me bato. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, Kasara. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Please, when you were talking, I was here, man.
What gave you that amount
my
of
thoughts.
Allow him.
Allow me to talk.
Oh yeah, you have your chance. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, that's fine. That's good.
What I'm saying is say, Sasika your body is swap. Because chrono fita and profitable my Ghana. No report no monsema.
But you and I know, say, before I ever pronounce you be so guilty. No, I was here in Kojina Sem Libya. Now Sem Libya na eba bontin be can't say any person may see or corrupt or bomb mine or no say. Until proving no, it's an allegation.
Of course, I am saying, I'm not saying it emphatically.
Okay,
I am actually alleging. And you know why all these things are, delaying. Kamiako said the Attorney General is being slow with these, oral reports. It's because of the MPP implants of Chief Justice Ninsamu Yehehe na ya clearly. Petition with the Koma President Mahama or Danny Ekoma Council of State ne nipa be 5 years sietimi wie bibia na say the Chief Justice Akufo-Addo peja another.
Why you identify a party? No, they will listen to me. Identify a party. The Chief Justice is just a single person. So why is it that mo party we are bent on pushing him away for you to prosecute your agenda?
We are not bent pushing her away.
Not necessarily.
In another case, omo petition say you free hono. I mean, Ote says some JV eka petitioners no ana. And I say be a communicator be eka petitioners no. They were concerned Ghanaians. No, Mofi said the Chief Justice was in office to do the bidding of the new patriotic party.
Okay, Yenesi for one way.
Oh, listen.
But allow him. You have your take, please.
And not enter na I mean, when we were opposition, we said it. We actually called on Akufo-Addo to fire her on several occasions. Me akwanya hodo me ya nyina no be the to abonten said the Chief Justice me obi akra competition can me as Ibrahim Ali. I mean, I will present petition. She not fit. Now yet me ye ne free hono ma. Eho en wo me hunu sampa.
Mo bibia mo di sie Ghana for the sentia. Mo person we are bent on removing her.
But we support the petitioners
to achieve what?
We support the petitioner because we know they have case.
Okay,
I mean so we will be very happy if the committee actually find her guilty and actually remove her from office. Now ya for bia ono a onya amanyosem, wono a wonya MPP ni, wono onya NDC ni, ono Ghana na kankro en wo hwe, ono ba eho ene ye betimi abi report no obi bia wa mene Ghana sika bia no ye be make sure say obefia ba
me da say SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra for God and country was go so uti and nature in the next 7 minutes may activate your phone lines for about 7 minutes about 7 minutes so you'll be a part of the conversation. But I say Electroland Ghana Limited who here electronics papa to o ma catch na acquire obenye bi electronics the media brand bi a wo pe bia say TVs ahodo air conditions ahodo media product bi a wo pe bia say Nasco say Samsung product say TCL product your any electronic you can think about bombarding Electroland Ghana Limited has the answer for you. Now koto ade o ho a and just some say about 15% discount and which yes ache wache dia mana ye hwehwe cha kwan e wo Fetchman bia wo Kumasi kwano so a any backsword ne din hwe no main Kumasi station Kumasi omo Kasi junction Tech junction and crying obehu omo adenta barrier dan suma runabout Sasuna industrial area no be animal complex ne din hwe no they have offices all over the country Sunyani Mankasim Cape Coast Takrade and Tamale bombarding na from 0245 949495 0245 949495 medical catcher will say we busuano I was so timinya draw we be this we busuano ho e wo fie de bia so sorry anopa na wa twabi enwumre na we twabi enyansa ho asem na meka twabi no as a brand bi wo baby o tie me onum sensa ho asem na meka me patro de meka na say bombarding na time herbal mixture prophylaxis kese so also born who buying free malaria join this hepatitis and then all those pains you have been going through your body bomodin panakope time herbal mixture FSC odan udemu anopa no bia mankola ni bi ma oyere bi ma okunu bi na kai say adia ebeye wenu mato a wontimi ndidi and also sorry ana honam nyina no ye wo ya no it's going to be a time of the past but only obi a wonya hepatitis na no mato wontimi ndidi wonya fever wonya malaria bomodin panakope a time herbal mixture na famano wo de mana ade abeboa ne ye pa me ba cho we de asemo dem be mana ye di 45 50 hono mo koro edwa ma cha light in town so papa light na be kan wasem 1 2 3 4 oni ya me kar bomodin pa time HH Misha and in the capsules time what does them way they make them rent here what them has it is if you are going to ground is me time HH Misha and the capsules and then never can mama and of course if you have that low performance during intercourse that is what is going to help you bombarding drugstore pharmacy shop be a beono for we need to na copy be 0244 417 669 my diga catch us over sorry no pa na ubetwitwu se na why fite me tra ha mageji Mackenzie sin me nim say yes toothpaste wa asere wa here camera down so here ne fe yes toothpaste and yes toothbrush and be ka wa asema ma anopa fa twitwi so we obi a twitwu se na anopa asemoje bi ba wanya num kuro bi mouth sore bi a ana say ukase nipa ho ana nipa na twi ne ti akochiri that's what we call halitosis ana num kankan ya me pa cho yes toothpaste and a toothbrush and never ka wa asema ma ewia anopa enyumre ebebo pa ye 050-161-9588 ewon kran ha ofra obeditumi akotu bi aton mo kuma se mo nhya no so 050-139-0338 ofra number ya ade a won sabeka ba medical catch so phone bi abedwama nso asa phone no eye guy too. There's another ranting in the chiflex. But when I ban is a 40, who go 80. Me catch them and chamubedu 90. Me patron chamubedu 90. But modern nakope phone webi. Technospark 40 series. It is slimmer, it is stronger, and it sparks everywhere. Phone we crowd. A two shoma one for idea. Phone we crowd. Screen the boha empire. A pie grana. Open your screen now. Open me they replace it easily. Na kai say very slim and very stylish. Now the picture quality no je na me pacho na ni memory no so de bagaya bomodin sesia phone way come up pa ebi na me use ofia Technospark 40 series. Remember, it is slimmer, it is stronger, and it sparks everywhere. Medima for Herbal Center. Dr. Time that's so. Hey, Medima for Herbal Center. Yare no the furniture or tenete. Say you see yade na equate ya when you the ever kind of stroke. Uji wenje. Me part of modern power. Medima for Herbal Center. Chronic diseases bia unemu bia say wahra no brebo mo person baba person fefro. As we mention nkoyi. Be ma boss na jiegu. Me part of modern Medima for Herbal Center beka wasama ba. Modern association won cry ha. Pokwase mayira wo kumase a ebwakwa gogo bia the government school ni din hwere mo. Dr. Time da so the Lord is our ultimate healer. Abusia friend was 0244 774282. Again, read them on 0500 727215. When you are boafo ane o maso asene for God and country jumedie no ye de ebremo ye to munkra ye basisi a menim se Mackenzie was assemble a opeso oka. Now one thing I would want to talk about this afternoon is a minority press conference on my HRSA Ghana ha. You see inflation I see your economy no niama sheda ko you on paper but still local German so a niama boarding why drink chiro saying yeah basisi a
kweku minim se why she me cry man nane now so ebony show ho a embaso
Mane Honsepeno. Ebony condoms comes in different flavors and available in all pharmacies, chemical shops, over-the-counter shops, and pubs. For bulk purchases, contact 055-230-0075. Ebony Condoms, Ghana's most pleasurable condoms. Make it worth it.
We got pepper mix, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. We got pepper mix, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate.
It only the view means a condom. The condom mulia then it's not on, but it does got as a condom.
Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Ghana had the OBN himself a prostate. Na baby omutimi screening. Emma huni ye etuasia. Na a Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Anasa a kidney, a liver problem. Wofa baby and ajujo. Na the friend premature ejaculation no. Be maybe a one would offer kwakweshia. As a wood dinner huagro. As a wood tonte. Any ebra Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Na yamuao. A man mema mo power. A Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Wamu de mufua. Yari bia infections been a woho. Anasa bia wonsha wofa baby na ajujo. Kidney problem, prostate dear, a Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Kumase ubehu Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Ewa kronoma boy here. Ena Accra hanso so dear. Womu jinemu ankasa. Ewa Spinters baby. Friend share signboard no. Who drew na ubusasa wope Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Wobia ebechro. For Endpoint ewa 0244 867068 and 02742343321. Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Womu demufua.
Hey medo. Edrano pa wutimi to boase. Echichiwusi o. Ado. Na so ni se me de yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima minya homka. Senti na ye bokoi na me die me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and then the brush aboa me ama sesei menum nso a enwunu anasa de ehia me semfimfem me biem na won hwese me si aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and then the brush and me di hwimese enti na wo se efei na yas total care gel toothpaste and then the brush ne die ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham. Oh yes, and Crotrodo. Yas Herba, Yas Whitening, and the Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and then the brush. Abusian Chamfa.
Sawo pedudu tu e won kan ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited, and was 050-161-9588.
Leicester Ghana Limited, and the Yas Toothpaste mo ahodo, and then the brush abedwaso abeboye.
Abushaya Yama Baba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God encountering the chair. I'll activate the phone lines. Munkai number mobile phrases so 0260-196064 0260-196065. Mamem Crow a 1 2 3 4 say yes in your wording and I'm a boy. I sit in wording. But now no. Oh, me mum dear. Now we are boy at the mount. We are sure. Them are more ding. Sa Nyaminti mum paba. To be beer than Aquemu. A come Ghana. But we be so. A come Ghana. Sa. Hey. I to force and for so our for Sweden. Yeah, NDC for okay.
Me ba se me kan ka bread po.
O ba so be re.
Me be kan ka bread po wa se. Me ka kwa.
Engineer mamu ye pa o.
Why no mamu ye.
Agoye. Ato force is all force.
Oye o de oye.
But mama fa course be 5 be that be we are at yes. Me ba so be to your friend you be so 0260-196064 0260-196065. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Me ba so din be be akasa free.
Friend Isaac Africa so.
Isaac Africa so. Isaac wadoma pa eti o.
Well, Michia penifo mo ehia wo nyina. Ba me wo ensem mienu. Ba ko eyankra enkonkoma president. NDC ni communicator no ti ona me de sankra na ma no. O ma na ye wo mu no, o si research. Ya ti ase. wanhwɛ ne nneɛma antoto yie yɛnya research ana yɛbɛkɔ reborn panin yɛ meka no yɛbɛkɔ reborn nti so wanhwɛ no antoto nneɛma yie yɛwɔ 3 years
SOMPA FM
yɛde bɛyɛ reborn so when research nneɛma yie a me na meka kyerɛ ne nɛ menim baabi a mefiri na MPP foɔ no so no so ɔmo pɛ flag barrier mo ɔbɛbɛdi ɔmo anim a ɔmo forgeti Kennedy Japan and forgeti Baumia na ɔmo nkɔfa alankyeramaten emra because ɔmo sabotage Baumia no Kennedy Japan we near the same people will sabotage him ɔmo nyina ɛwɔ MPP ɛyi na mambo na mu intimasem
me pass over you, so we thank you so much. Let's talk to this caller. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, boss.
Yeah, me pacho wana menene kasai.
Abato Mr. Benson kasafi babra so do mo atia.
Yo, me pacho etio.
Yo, Yakupon sha parade mo pama bona wi ani.
Amen.
Benchia one opana ni siri nyina.
Good.
Me fa konye so na benchia me constituency MP. Honorable Kwame Plus, Ajiba Pa Obama Gomwa Central. The come asem so a, no kwasevili. Ye papa no bana omo kasama iwura abeje Japan say obetuma be flag bearer and won. Ye MPP obi eni ho a o ye be obegina obi enfa support on time echi o. Problem a ewo MPP mu no. Say party ni mu acheche no kwedo kan ayede party na bon enu nti say wodu obi ba na unity ni hwa the same problem say 2028 on be lose election enu nti see ekofa ono ekofa ada no see ekofa hwa no say hwa no original omuma all the MPP supporters in TRC say yanka ye humom ba bia problem wo bia no ya opposition awie.
Okay.
Now, yeah, you confirm bana. Obetimi obe wini as a flag bearer.
Yeah.
Now you propose akadeti. Now you call your name.
Me that say. I'm saying ukasa na wa, but we can appreciate your call. Nyaminka ho. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello, Minia.
Yes, sir. Me ba wana me ne kasai.
Paul na woni ne kasai. Me kasai St. John's.
Paul like kasai St. John's. Wa don wan patriote why?
The chat on Papo nyina.
Sumpa da say.
Saturday obopo adadam no.
Yeah, adadam no wani je ho pa. That's fine. Otu nkwankwa ni ase na uti adadam se a ekoye pa.
Mama ya bona tie nyina. E ka kra me kan se. Ghana MPP ni NDC no. Le tere bebre. Se de Ghana tie ne sa na omo beye no. Ntimi nane. Sa de wo mu MPP ho ne se. MPP omo pa no omo nto aba omo nka se ne je Japan mara me nka bi ma no oba be obetimi ni mahama afọ but apart from ne Japan no na say ye to abanye me
na sa mahama de onko biu
mahama so obetimi aba
o debi on ma biu on ma
o de yan fa ne se won ma yan fa ne se won ma to obetimi ni MDC actually be a fear obetime union enye bi ni you can say the opinion chamasen ena enye bi ni baomiao wo that ofa mo man ko be 10 emfa e wura MPP munye no ena me
entino me ba cho se no ukasa no ya wa mesrew entino se osusu se Kennedy Japan no bode ne ba e be boa mo ho
ono na yese wo ba.
Midase. Thank you so much for coming in. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, Prof.
Yes, I'm Bajo Wadi.
Bajo, ya ni oda mi market ya na mi. Oni ro mama free mi kita mi sa.
Me Bajo. Oh, you want who say muntia na ye wo ho. On say obi paswa I was saying nyabotre wa baso unse me nyabotre de ama na ma krokro kama me pa chop it
prof so we have go there
bibia kama bia hye
yesu chia wonu apamfo nyina chia MPP fo na mo nyamo din ko mo nyamo din kama chia kase mfa mama mudi ba mia abia wo bia so chia nanko ponto no nkwana no show no ye na 2028 to mafa enko obosha asase so
right
na me party mpenyimfo ne party supporters a chow one thing they mean here ba ku kan party ni say apro they mo ye we dia we ye say we ye no mo ye dey yan tun nyina twene ne fa nyina ngufom ne ye hwe de ebe ya yan so 2028 ne bere ye ba sa beji oman ni dia ko be bi pa na minim say obi anya na adwun ye ne fa support ne ko di ba mi achi ne fa doctor ba mi amla na wo meboa ye na obi atimi de ye obi abitimi aye bigie na me kwa me hye de isra ida Kennedy
all right
so you bia beba bia ye ba wo me fa vim ni empaibo na supporting you from about me
me da say yambi so sha sa ba djube de so hello good evening
good evening prof
yeah me pa so wani
Felix Bell, I think quite you look.
Yo, Felix Bell, what am I patriotic you?
But I say, you Nichamunina,
Joseph,
Chama, Mackenzie, Nichana. Namicha, incoming flag bearer, Honorable Kennedy, a complex or in a Japan. Then my cuckoo drove for. Then my Okano press. Then my to delay dinner, or to make us a most high my uncle. On my head in a cup. I'm Felicia down Guatemala West, incoming first batch. Linear say, on my penny, my money, NDC for country and say, a gun in India, the whole toner, and top. Now, on my no more, the day Koya, and top. Obi here, Juma, Wabba, Pamon, why you never say, Juma, so Uncle got Sanfi, office Anipano, and Ninja says, on my no more. Ajo ni ho tono o ba ye no o kan tere yen se o for tax bi amma na o be ti be light bill so o be ti water bill so o ba what so what to ni nyina mu e ti gana ni bi ho tono and na ya ye ka say you say your security no is under threat you never e koso we boko you nipa e wu o tane ya ko bi wa o try ya ko bi wa o so o man mu ti man mo ya ho to o ba ye what ka say ya bia ye le bi sa wo ba mu di dum so le bi aba petrol $1 bia no 4 cedi 50 pesos and mo dia to so o se dana for ho to e ti ya tanya ma so we dollars above yam bi sa ye ku say one more dollars a year to one or more call bank now. $1 no. And it is a more send a see bass no Bank of Ghana no air class man. Who call watching you black market $100 no. Only a 13. No you want $1 above a $100 year to ma. And you won't tell
Million Felix Bell. Ubajatu says $1 na kra 13 na. E ye chance kan na dollar no 14 and over no.
Now, so you haven't paid. And it is only the 10 point something. No, our Bank of Ghana and the class who perform and yes, I'm here because one more $1 year to man. Or more bank or one. And the 13 no, and what do you have?
Me patch of Felix Bell, that's why. So bad you with so let me talk to this caller. I mean, a last caller. Hello, good evening. Oh, I'm so original swatch. But I'll pick the last caller, but whoever comes in, and come. But quickly, Mami call a Mackenzie chain because we have just 5 minutes. Say economy no. Said ye empenyufo amayati ase se nyama bia dedane ye. Say inflation am na okay. About 13.37 ehonu baby aba say wo hwe eye Ghana cedi so a ehun komo so no ade a ekire say do eno so wo fom say amanfo no bia e ka say Ghana ha ye hwe eye ye kratemu a niema no ekoyie but ye ba eye fom ho na amanfo still aso ano musu baka ze oni san krofo no ye adwene ana
mene ho amosa na ye adwene
woni a e ka say ato force or force de we share say the omobo oman ho bra na inflation niema inflation aba form kan no ombeso mu na oba 23 say about 13 but still ye ba form one niema boarding menim so kodwaman so no kwese niema boarding ana
niema de ne boarding na so omka inflation na ye nom sa no ya ye ntiase enti no ya na ya adwi mu no I say ombo mutim na omokeka sansam ne keke ye mi say inflation above for ma de enti na dokono bo ema for
what the inflation to dokono
yes because well at the end of the day the bottom line lies
somebody says
maybe no say dokono about 3 cities
said American because ye no ma ye ni somebody ye di agro okro no mu a among country inflation above form na dollar and some na brami bisawo when it come to the dollar issue I support the NDC say on my hold to the dollar because you need dollar work or Ghana in so for so kota there our bruchi na say obeya go through the banking system that could tia oniamaka because saudi dollar and kroma you need dollar or kroma in your there mebo minua ketua forcing
ato forcing
ato ho de nyamesi enka no kre wa force pa nemu eba se obi hia dollar physical dollar okọ bank no kre bi ni ho yema ho no dem fo se wa ya de na obi atukwan ye ko South Africa ye ko ba bia ye hu sene etie so hia dollar na if so chere ni ade dollar e ko akoye ansa na unsaka nemu sanse mu ni na o makeka ni na NDC aka ni na enema aba formana me sure say that is all you want to know me know so that what Ghana here me know that yes enema aba forma anka beti me di one dance here say kra na afi na enema e kosoro every day nanka Erajon Mahama bai o say yi levy oba bi yefio obey fio no or the a lot of taxes as ambeto na me hu kura ye de every time be
a lot of taxes ben or the aba
mpacho
one city levy no
one city account or Sunday some fuel 97 pesos be eto so kra ansana we ni
one city there never
electricity water most water even though with the we not too much twice. Thank you. 14.7 B and some another one. I mean, there've been a lot of them. Oh, but you see, I did about my NDC for a form when D. As I said, some Kukosu, yes, we are party in the Munintino. I bet you the limelight of the whole thing. Enti I say entity and your more mokikan. Enti Ankabe NDC for bomb I say 10 beyond on Bayon Maybian, Nanka and Sembi Kosu MPP. So don't beat my party pass all these laws. Send your matiti year. And can Obia who beton say ye who toy and Ghana. Maybe I don't care about whether NDC or MPP. Niyan say Time Munina or Tiona or Moya Corsibe. Or Soriano po Benyan Sikato Edianedi. Or Benyan Ska Ashan a year and Nema. Nema Beko School on struggle. That is more important. And until I hear man yourself. Nemo sa ubana se obekeka brofu bi about inflation say nema kofo meanwhile we know say we are lying to them. NDC they are very good of entronis animal
omutwantro
NDC party apart from entro them you know me
hey
amun no grab back
Mackenzie
I'm telling you me say NDC apart from entro unya bibi papa bi about them because yeah NDC betima coin ni asem naka ubeko mu this inflation say about from ubeko kra na bia paper so and on my church or maybe say inflation about it's say me no me no me ni baby on church inflation in some way Because inflation above from it should reflect in our life. Our livelihood should change. And now behind that saying, and then now pay loan so a saying. And then me catch you say me call bank akodi loan send it to me.
You na for one see mami.
And I say me catch me kodi loan so abontia saying. Those are the effects that bring the inflation down. But say if Sandema we now was true, that's what catch him say inflation above for man. Then I will not SOMPA agree with the fact say no correct.
All right, so mami na menko Facebook. Baba minu na munche na masami apa dia mind. Comments appeal to the tension in the country is too much. People are dying, people are missing, people are suffering. Please let's put politics aside and let's all fight against special special greetings going out to Haja Safia Mohammed, next MPP National Women Organizer, and Adrian Kessie John Boedu, next MPP National Chairman. By comments Pillar 2, and this one is Piaga watching you live from Achima Sarfo. And then Masawood Kumasi Bantama says that the escalating crisis in Boko requires urgent attention and the need for a comprehensive and inclusive approach to deal with the issues. The government must take immediate and decisive steps to restore peace and transform security in the Boko area. Regards to former KMA boss Honorable Sampine and Koka. And then Rahim Rankin says that, good afternoon to you, Prof. Yes, we are ruling as a nation. We are ruling as a nation, and it doesn't need to be support violence and against the current government over Boko conflict. And my problem is why is the opposition party always against the current government through his firm with disturbances? I don't know the kind of disturbances he's talking about. Okay, so these are some of the messages there. But Ali Yako, quickly.
Yeah, I think say here say sometimes say cancer ma yebeka no kreno. So the be next time say nya kwanya ne kasa. Duty and no beko so take it serious. Do obi a obeka se enioma bo bibia na ejina ebi ma down me enya adwen. Di entina make kasa. And I say ba I mean a buy. Kaneno car na yetia from one corner to the other and eswate. Yeah, what them hanging obi an who bet me challenge that fact.
Me too. Not you have just about a minute to wrap up.
Bet me challenge that fact. And oko ejaswa emo boto ahodo bia na ewo soro kra soro bebre ene oka price no ya teso almost 40%. Asamo no price 9 near de no aba down kra.
Is it over just
phone? Crampa near tono no is circular phones no ya teteso.
Me that say
so there have been some impact in one way or the other, just that it is not generally felt. And so because some of the markets, women and all the traders should be filtered in one way or the other. We are looking at that to ensure SOMPA comply, because the dollar above form, so dollar find your money above form. Why should you still keep charging?
Maminase, Naminko 1, 2, 3, 4. Ono Yakasamafua, Wakasaba Quabra Japon, Yako Asemana.
Well, Asema make continue near any for Canada Miniano. Me here is for not simply because really new year was a midway and is for ano. See, and like I said, no Quabna Japan, a year ton Quabna Japan. Until let me deal with that. Benny Baba wake up. Andy, maybe making now, say 5 minutes. Miss Samoa. Now it's 5 minutes.
There be 3 minutes. Because the time is sorry.
3 minutes.
The patrol there be your time. No year in our time now. Yeah, the news
okay, the key points I want to say, I want to tell delegates out there. All right, Kwabna Yedina Bano he's a proven party loyalist. He is experienced, he is competent, he's a unifier, he's a bridge builder, he has integrity, he has trust, he has discipline, he has a deep understanding of the grassroots of the party. And no, and we are talking about grassroots connection. We are talking about vision for renewal. We are talking about a mentor and a builder. We are talking about a clean leadership record, untainted leadership is what we are talking about. And then, bottom line, we are talking about a consensus candidate. Any other question?
May I pass over?
Thank you, sir.
Abuja for 1 year or 2 months can be I will show you so Ura Kofi 1 2 3 4 do kasaba eye kwabena aje Japan ne watu ne num chu se ade a wo be den obeko eye akansie ni bi but na kwabena wa pick form sanana.
Oh, you ever pick it? You ever pick it?
Man can say kabuye we and nka body afaso na nka ma pick it.
Oh, there be say eneno tie. Tie. This the way the mama in church.
E ba to clean ntia mama.
Ene.
Yeah.
Yeah, meeting. Yeah, she say 1 o'clock. Yeah, press conference. You could do any say party so yeah press conference. The party the end was earlier.
Okay.
It was about 12. In we and the media no join. Any yeah. We and also you were radio station. So I was me bamoa. Minimum share. And I now so the boss also quite SOMPA.
Yeah.
You know, you were Juma be yeah.
Mirase.
Mirase.
Until I been on Kofa.
Oh, Nyami Aduma, me sure say by next week or so.
Next week?
I'm quite sure.
Date with the unim.
Mean she and she.
First person the uncle so who
there be and she date.
Midase.
And then any announce so your first step. Until after the first step we'll sit down and then we'll plan the rest and we take it from there.
Midase Mackenzie Kasama yeah. The Patriotic Party and of course speaks for Bache Jacko. He was part of the show today. Yeni Abema Ali, Ibrahim, NDC. National Communication Team member was also here. Every must say, more muting in I that's more frame in I that's when we say, course, maybe that's about moon fan chain. Tomorrow we are back here, midweek edition of Forgotten Country. So then people remember Edini Kobla Buchi, aka Prof. Yakramunina. Bye bye.